every labor right a labor right. If you win that
No,
election,
me tell you something. I don't mean alone if you say that too.
may I say
I
to
don't mean
everybody,
alone. You
No,
need,
you
so
plan,
don't,
plan,
listen,
one at a time,
don't call,
Bridget, plan.
listen to me,
One at a
don't call
time.
me name.
Plank, plank. Hold on there, plank. Ease yourself and make we talk. And we are reason this out. And when your turn gets to say what you have to say, you can talk, okay?
Listen what me I say. No call me name, call everybody name.
All right. Everybody.
Yeah, no call
Everybody.
my name. No come single me out, big man.
All labor rights are equal. All of we. Some of we don't even have a vote.
to the person that
All of
to
we
the
who have a
person,
vote on.
Petal,
Oh,
hold on, to the person that come out and was bold enough to say and won't take accountability that some labor rights are the TikTok labor rights and some are grown and TikTok. Who want to tell that person they say every labor right a labor right. Every single labor right.
You see your Shabby? Let me tell you something
You
about
say me
you.
not
You
to
see
call a
you?
name.
Umbre,
Let me
umbre.
tell you
You say
something.
me not to
Mario,
call a name.
you see you don't know what go on, you know. So
Blank,
you just hear
blank,
what happened now. You don't
blank.
know what go on.
Hold
So
on, blank.
you
Hear me. You're talking
just
up. Blank,
go
you go
on
talk.
before
Blank,
you talk.
blank, yeah.
Yo,
Don't come
yo,
jump on
yo,
me, big.
Blank, calm
yo.
down. You go talk.
It a sound good, brother.
Hold on,
Yo,
man.
it a
We're not
sound
arguing.
good.
No, we're not arguing. This is not arguing and fighting. This is putting to bed this thing that has been going on. I'm gonna say this, Plank. Yes, you're right. You're not the only person that's doing this and same thing. But you just do it a while ago. I'm gonna talk to you first before anybody, because you do it right now, my present. Yes, me don't know everything. You're right with that too. Coming in upon every life. But you did something in my presence and at that me address.
Well, find out the road first
Liberate
before you
and
come
liberate.
jump on me.
Me not
Find,
jump on you. Me a
find
talk
out the
to you.
road before you come
Blank.
jump on me.
Blank, let me tell you something. Stay in the middle lane. Blank, let me tell you something. See me? Respect you more than most. You know why? Me come to your face and tell you how me feel. You see anybody who can't tell us, say, yo,
No,
it's not right, and them not respect you. So understand, so to respect me, I do this right now. Tell you, say, all of we are labor right. We have the one goal, and if JLP lose, you lose and me lose. And every one of we work count. Your work and my work and Mario work. Don't try put it over nobody. What you did is a divisive tactic, and we have to stop it. Because if you are do it, the next person you do it, Petal will do it, what we are going to end up with? Look how much things PMP are going through right now. We can't even beat PMP in peace.
what did he do,
Look
Travis?
how much things.
Travis,
Yeah.
what me missing out on something? What did he do?
Plan come up to say. The conversation are going on, you know. And this is why it irks me.
When? Just
Well,
now?
just now. Let me tell you one of the main reason why it irks me. The man say Jamaica is a PMP country, and before them people allow that to be dealt with or personal feelings outcome parade.
No, me lick out again.
No, me understand, but we not push back on him.
Me
We
doze
not
off
push
on
back
so
on
much.
him properly.
Who said Jamaica PNP country?
Name Horatio with it on. We not
Oh,
push back on the matter properly because everybody does not, nobody now have self-control. No one wants to have self-control. It don't make sense, bro. Everybody work out. Everybody work out. And I got
all on Travis, plank. Me add you back up here. And we are gonna talk and you're gonna get to express yourself. But may I ask you please, if you oppose to what Travis say when Travis don't talk, you're gonna get to oppose. Can you just hold on, plank? Because me obviously not me do it come like me doze off, me never hear what one. Me did just
Tally, well,
hear the
we are
come.
man, you know. We're not boy, we are man.
Me
So
did, yes.
some of them are going like we are boy. I mean,
Me
oh,
just hear the
blank,
okay, but
blank,
listen now, plank,
blank. Listen,
listen
my
now.
argument, hold on, Petal. Let me and him talk. My argument is no disrespect to you. My argument are for you and for my own good. Let us not fight amongst each other or sow seeds that will cause fight amongst each other. What you said is offensive to many. And you need to take account to that. Because why you said, because somebody says something is offend you, well, we have to take a start. Come you
what
start
you
with me.
mean?
And then we
What
go
you
say to
mean,
that
Shabby?
person, don't offend plan.
What you mean,
Because
Shabby?
all of we count.
What you
But
mean?
me can't jump. Me have to deal with it at this point when me there in the presence and something happened. Me can't go deal with something when me never did it. So it's because me did it for that 1 year, me I go say to you as my friend, what you did is wrong. And me cannot sit for it. You know,
Okay,
me
so what
offend you first.
what happened?
And anybody sit around and allow people to offend you and don't defend you, me can't call them raping.
Orisha say
Because you would never sit down and have people to offend you in public and me don't address it.
Travis,
I
Travis,
don't like them
Travis,
things, bro. We are one.
Travis,
Let us
Travis,
deal with each other with respect.
Travis, Travis,
Yeah.
Travis. What you must do, just say what he said that offend you and stop it up.
And I'm not,
No, no, so I'm
you're
accused.
misconstrued. You're
Yes.
misconstrued. What? Let me tell you what Plank say. Let me calm down and try to get you to understand. Plank make a statement saying some people are just TikTok labor rights. That is very offensive,
When
man.
him say that,
You cannot say something like that, man. That's
when
not
him
right,
say,
Bridget.
when him say
What
that,
you mean if me say that, Patel? Me say it.
I said
Because
when.
So
I'm asking you
offensive, and
when.
it is and it is offensive, and it
Because
is
I want to know why
divisive.
li-
you say that.
That me I said. That me I
because
said to you.
They're
listen
right
what
for
me I
truth.
say.
Hold on. All of we
Li-
can talk one time.
all
Plank,
right.
hear me I say to you. Me I talk to you
Li-
directly, Plank. That is offensive and it is divisive. We know
yeah.
what. Listen. You know what make PNP run Jamaica for so long because me can tell you because my people are my PNP and then talk for years. Then keep allowing do things to make JLP people be divided. And once they are divided, then cannot contest the PNP. And if we start I guess the division starting from grassroots level still it grew up. Me realize that people never respect the leaders' decision. Me sit down on live today and listen people are question the leader's position. Me not understand what they pan. Can I this me come over here so far, you know?
But hold on there, Travis. You see, why would they attack? Why would they attack? One drunk
Oh, no,
name,
Petal.
I'm your best. Stop it up.
To be, we
Me
have
Petal,
I
to
take up the
be,
plank. Me
we
don't
have
even
to,
know what happened. Me I try to find
Petal,
out what
Petal,
happened.
don't stray
Petal,
for the
me
matter.
see it. Don't
Don't stray
PM
for the
them,
matter.
don't kill the person.
Mario, wait, we are dealing with this matter, yeah. Plank,
Right.
plank as your friend, me not like this. Me not
All
like
right.
this.
Mario,
Do
Chavi,
not. Plank,
Chavi.
listen to me, no, man. Listen to me,
Don't
no, man.
forget, let me just say something to you, Chavi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yesterday, right? All I would did on info platform
Plank, I don't want
after.
you to go back. I don't want you to go back to
No,
it.
but
To dig up. Plank, hold
so
on, man.
me can't tell you where problem I come from, brother.
Plank, hold on, man. Me no want to go be dig up back them thing. Don't go through it step by step. Just
All
stay.
right.
Touch
In
it. Say,
the evening, let me come. Let me jump past
In
info.
1 mile, turn
In the
right onto
evening,
John Lewis
Hold
Boulevard.
on there, guys. Hold on there. So some people there in the comments who are come in some fake name. Me know say some like a pussy hole we can't identify themselves or call about who are hypocrite and who are. Me feel for just block them. If politics give me the okay, me just block them on the chair.
nearly run all a red light.
Only just talk up and sound me because we are trying to trash out something.
Like seriously, me almost run this red light up on a big old intersection because you know I get me upset. Fam, we need to calm ourselves down and just operate as a unit because listen, if the JLP lose, I whole away lose. Don't think a plank alone lose, or a winner alone lose, or a me alone lose. I whole away. And let me tell you this also, in order for us to win, it will take all of us. All hands on deck. Every vote count because plank alone vote and cannot.
Chavi, be
I know the
careful on
problem
the
now.
road, man.
I just,
Bill, the momentum. How you behave
Chavi, be
like this? What you
careful
think
on
gonna
the
happen?
road, you know, bro. No, man.
It's not right, man. This thing ain't right, Bridget. We need to stop this. Stop getting. You know how much time I come on live and people disrespect me. I say, you know what? And I made this. I not come for this. I not come for me.
yeah, no.
I am here for a cause. Zin, and no matter what, I cause we go push through. You understand me? People feel like I said me upset with them because I talk to them hard. No. It's because me want to make notice when certain conversation plank you for one no. When you start certain conversation, me tell you say left it till later. No government business. That's lie me I tell. But always have to defend the goal. And I goal me a defend you. So I'm not coming at you. I'm saying what you said is divisive, bro. And you make your own brothers and sisters them upset with you, and that's not what you want. It's not what you want.
so yesterday
What
when
you
them in
want,
a
what you want, what
yesterday
you
when them
want
in a
is for all of us to
disrespect
work
me.
together.
When yesterday when them in a disrespect me,
I
I in a
wasn't there.
them group a chat
I'm sorry.
about me.
I'm sorry I wasn't
And
there. I
and then
mean
all
what group
right.
you talk
And
about.
then them come over fire so. Cause we not ask me for what you know. Like you know me girl, you know. You understand?
Long calm
Me
down,
no
man.
want up, me
Long,
no want all dirty
calm
PNP boy come
down.
out for me, man. You know, me a man labor right now.
Calm
Tell you
down.
that. Yeah,
Calm
yeah,
down,
2
Plank.
years.
Calm down. Calm yourself, Plank. And I saw it I go do. You will keep Plank in a listener section till you calm down himself. Because Plank no calm. Plank you have to go stay in a
Hey,
listener
Chavi,
section.
Chavi
And
and
you
Blank.
calm yourself.
Chavi and Blank.
Travi and Plank. You know,
Hold on,
say the
hold on, hold on, hold
the
on.
tone of a tone. The
Before me
tone
give
of a tone
you the
where
floor. One love, before me give you the floor. Plank say he was offended. To the people who offend Plank, me never did them in a know. You're wrong too. Never tell you this. You are also wrong. Whatever you did or said to offend Plank, you're wrong. And here's why you're wrong. Because you inadvertently caused division. Because what you did yesterday, look what it do today. Don't make no sense. Look what chaos are going to PNP and we can't even go through the very things them what them do. Because we are so focused on trying to fix things amongst each other. And some they not try to fix, some are try to push the fight, some don't want to give up on the fight. Some too big for say you made it wrong and humble themselves and we start again.
Travi, we have to learn. Sometimes we have to learn. It's when we have a personality clash. Sometimes we have to learn to just make things that they are natural, you know. Because
Continue.
we are big people. We are big
One
people.
love, if you listen to him say from yesterday, it's going to continue. It's
Let me tell you something.
it tells me that Plank
Travi.
intentionally said what he said because yesterday,
Travi.
whatever happened, and that Plank say, you know.
Travi, a lot of ways still, you know, in all honesty, you know, we need to listen, you know. We honestly need to listen sometimes. I'm major time.
No can't trash out things on time on a temper. We have to wait a little more so. No trash out. You can't trash out things on time on a temper. Oh no, trash out things on time on a temper. Because people talk about people. But I know wait a little more tomorrow, not talk about that. You can't trash out things the two man a temper.
And the two of them have two very domineering voices, you know.
Yeah,
So what happens is that it all causes a
Petal, make them deal with what next time, Petal.
Wrong. I get to wrong.
but
Me and Plank now.
Hold
the
on,
man,
hold on.
You know when you
Hold on.
misunderstood me and Plank.
Hold on, Chavi. When I get it wrong, you know, Chavi, no temper.
Well, Plank in a
Chavi,
temper then.
no cussing.
Well, Plank no cool long then. So we talk about one.
Add it back. That's why I said don't add it because we need to.
Planka is not a temper, so Plank go on when him heated. But
can right, I saw plan talking.
I don't even, I was traveling yesterday the whole day. I don't know what went down. May I try to come up to those of me, those of you, the talking.
I was on the live yesterday. I was on the live with the cop.
Let him hold on. Let him speak from his side of the point. Let him go back and start where it come from according to what he's trying to say. He wants
Better when you make Plank cool long first.
I was on the live yesterday. I think.
Then Plank calm down. Plank will
Yeah.
say exactly what it is. Because
Yeah, make him calm down. Make Plank calm down first.
Hold on.
You cannot tell somebody to calm down when they're already upset. Just let them bloat out everything.
No,
When
Marcia.
they have 10 choice.
But Marcia,
We're not make him calm
listen,
down
one second.
first.
Hold on.
Listen a second. I was on the live yesterday.
Give
Man,
me a
cool long
second.
first.
Well, I the winner. But I was on the live yesterday. I think Plank need to apologize to winner and move on with this thing.
But you can't hold on a second. Hold on.
Marcia, hold on. Marcia. Hold on, Marcia, you know me. I'm a very respectable person. I'm a professional. I will not ever come on this platform and openly disrespect anybody.
Plank too easy to
Hold on, winner. Me know want you to choke your own. And because that's why I come on because me never do come on, you know. Because you're not supposed to have to defend yourself in this instance. No. You know you are not supposed to have to defend yourself in this instance. And in the instance to where Plank was offended, he should not have to defend himself.
So let him come out and speak.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left to merge.
Give him the floor. Let him speak his mind and let him
Marcia want trash out and apologize.
Calms down. Me willing to listen to Plank, but Plank need to calm down.
Yes, but make him when he make him talk and when him talk down, he may calm down. Let him just talk everything with the and his
Marcia,
No,
it's the same
Marcia,
thing.
the right time for him. No. The temper we man in now.
But it a carry over in the all of the life.
No, he will get time to think about it, Marcia.
Come on, man. Oh, no.
No. He will
Oh
get
my
time to think
God.
about it. After looking to himself, he will think about it.
But I see where the man blaze up yesterday for no reason at all.
Guys, let's not pick side. We're not going to pick side now.
It's not a big side thing,
If
what are the
if we're
truth
go,
them.
if we're gonna trash it out, if we're gonna trash it out, plank need to be up in our back.
Yeah, so I'm calm down, Petal.
Him can get my box, but obviously Plank no one in your box.
You might
You
have to
see,
calm down. If you temper money, nobody can talk to him. So
when
make him
I
man
tell
think
people to
about.
listen, but when
The
I
man,
listen
the man
sometimes,
is a big man. If somebody him thinks somebody, I don't know
Virgin,
what happened.
What
man, them,
you see, people are very accusatory because I was not anywhere around. I don't know what happened.
but
I
me I
just
telling you, say, I was
realized.
on the live yesterday, and me I telling you, I not listen
And
either.
somebody down in the comment section have verbally abused me. So
Petal, low that no man.
What I'm
no,
trying
but
No,
you
they,
can't tell me something must loud that. You know, like tell people say what feel low and when not to take
no,
on.
but
what I'm trying to say,
what
extra. What
I
kind
know this.
You can talk, Petal.
Master, hold on 1 second. Petal, here what happen. See, some of us have to just put on some skin. We just know say we are going to defend the movement and
In
sit
front of what
the
anybody.
movement right.
Yeah,
In
we got
spite of
kids,
what other
I'm a
people
fool,
think.
man, Wi-Fi.
Right? In spite of what other people think. If somebody says something on this and accuse you, nobody get into yourself over it. You knowing the truth, be the bigger person. You understand me? And don't get distracted by it. Don't get distracted by it.
Yeah, but that just go to show you. That just go to show you
Everything
how
said,
people are.
I understand, and not everything said. It's not everything
People,
that is
people
said.
always say, Petal. They must always say.
Not everything that is said we should respond.
Okay, what I'm
They
trying
say
Petal,
what they want to say.
Petal, all I'm saying, Petal, deal with the problem or not deal with now. And forget what down in the comment. Deal with what with Plank and Travis if them have a problem. Just stick to this because it will cause a distraction down in
Me
the
and
Plank
box.
and
Plank,
Travi doesn't
me
have a
and Plank
problem.
don't have an issue.
Plank
I'm
and
saying
Travi
to
doesn't
Plank,
have a
what
problem.
you
And
said is offensive. And you should not have said it. I mean, I tell you in front of your face, in front of everybody, because I respect you. Me not go around around this to go talk. So what you said is
More
offensive.
plank up in the
Yeah,
back if we are going to trash out something. I want him up in the back.
the man, give me the reckon, saying what I told him there.
Petal, him can get my box, but
yo,
me not think Plank
No,
can come up. No, in Plank.
if he comes up, I come
Adim,
out. If he
Eh?
in
Adim,
disrespect us as a and in disrespect me
Adim,
again,
no,
I
calm
call me
down.
a
Yeah.
comrade.
Press him again. Adim,
In disrespect me
not
again, I
calm.
tell the bad word.
He
This is the
come to
third
me,
incident of him
Press him.
telling
when
me
the
bad words on this
material and
live, and I've
show
never
me them,
used
no
a
kind of
curse
place
word
up to
towards
now.
him any at all. Never.
Didn't tell me it.
extra mute, no man, extra
I'm
mute.
plank, you're not supposed to cuss bad to a Christian. So if you tell we not bad, that's wrong. When they?
No, in
KD.
Plank go easy off your little well.
Somebody said something to you.
Marcia,
We like,
Yeah.
we not like,
Marcia,
Yes.
inbox them if you
Marcia,
look past.
you realize this morning you come on and you say something. As the question you ask, and somebody, I see me, it trigger off and the argument start over nothing at all, just misunderstanding.
Exactly.
Wait a minute, me just beg you, Mr. Marcia do. Nobody answer. Either me come off or you come off. Because the tone attack and you not understand what she has say and she not understand what you are say. So
That's what I'm just
the
muted.
pettiness not call for.
We're big
The
people.
pettiness not call for.
but one lover, Auntie Marcia. This thing has been going on from I don't know, maybe long time. So this thing need to stop and it need to stop now.
Hear me say no. Hear me say no.
Only then
Hold on.
can get
Hold
stuck,
on. Am I that?
Yeah, man, I'm married this.
Hold on, Mario. I believe you planked a car as a mama man because of how you run your house. Was it you?
No, that's just plank and joke. It's just a joke. You know.
Understand that? That me I say why plank can brush off some things like you brush off. Look
No,
how
but it's no a joke. It's like literally joke. It's just me and Plank. When him say them something, me say Batman go all of those stuff. But we don't literally mean nothing. You understand?
Travi,
right.
But this
Travi,
Why we
you
can't
have
have
couple
that
people on the platform.
why we can't have that
Travi,
always? Why we can't
you have a couple people on the platform where people know. I discover about trading. I never call name. When them talk, you make it float, honestly. And them tone very commanding too. So when they talk, you would actually take that disrespect just from the tone alone. Not even what them say.
Okay.
Just make it float.
Okay, so hold on a second.
no, but my point is this, it's speech that plank make is very divisive.
All right, so let him. Right, we are. You said him very
Divisive.
divisive. Okay, I don't know. So let's agree.
Effective.
that point. So let him come and speak his mind now. He's gonna be upset. He might be shouting, fine, but just let him get it off of his chest. Then we can figure it out. But it doesn't make sense for us to tell him to calm down, and him can't talk. Let him say what Mappy say. Everybody talk what the Mappy talk and hear the position. What went wrong? Because it's something must be petty. So yes, so let him say what he have to say. He might shout, he might cuss, but make him shut up his mouth. Let him get it out.
And this thing gotta go further
Auntie,
if we don't stop this thing.
Auntie Marcy, let me tell you what we discover with Travi. You see, Travi not going to leave you to finish a statement. If it offend him. And Plank, what Travi don't realize, it just leave Plank. I make Plank not talk for more than 1 minute or 2 minutes, you know. Me I tell you that. And him go stop. So just make him talk, no interject. We have to respect each other opinion.
Dear lady, I'm having a flu. And I'm trying
Save 8 minutes via Red Wine Road Southwest.
But the thing is that we don't never depend on live yesterday when the thing happen.
interrupt people, so. But
All right,
anyhow,
I want to ask this question. Plank obviously too angry to tell me, sir. What happened yesterday?
Let him come up. Let him come up. Let him come up. It doesn't make sense you ask anybody because listen, I was on a live yesterday morning and I was down in the box yesterday. Well, last night as well. So it is best Plank come up and talk inside of the story. Excellent can say something. Winner can say something. I can say something, but yet still everybody has something different. So let him say what he has to say.
No, but we were
That's the
there.
only way you can do it.
We were there when the thing happened.
I know, excellent. I was there too.
Mario, I said to him, tell me what happened. Get to the point.
but give him a chance. You tell him
We just have to tell him man to calm down, man, and stop blaze up so much, Bridget. The man blaze up too much time. We just calm down
tell him man
sometime
not
and
to
stop
control
blazing up.
his emotion. The man is a big man.
Excellent.
Excellent. This is something
Excellent, you know, understand, you know.
4 miles. Take exit
I did tone,
243. Merge onto
I
State
did
Route
tone when him talking, you know.
160 Point.
It was a ear in my
Plank,
Mario
come on.
sometimes.
If Plank talk to you and you don't win him, do you think I cuss him or cuss you?
Alright, good evening, people. May I come down with the box? Can I just come up? May I get Plank the box? Can I come up?
Yeah, respect for that.
Come on.
Stay down there. Don't go nowhere, but stay down
All
there.
mute.
Come on.
Let us all mute and give Plank the floor.
Right. I make him talk and still him have to say.
Petal, where you say Petal? Go on.
Look,
Petal, let us do something.
You're going to come down and give Plank the box.
Yeah, I can come explain this. Make me
No,
go
man,
on this.
take my back.
Come in after.
Yeah.
No, one love. You stay, because you seem to know of it angle him.
As a mediator, right? And just make him talk and say what he has to say, and then, please.
Travi, please, silent.
These persons were in the comment section and I make often derogatory comments. Worse.
Political sports, you know, if you turn off the comment for a minute, you know how to do that? Or 5 minutes?
Bring in Plank before you close it.
Okay, me bring him up.
Mute, guys.
All right,
Everybody mute.
me listen to everybody. Excellent. Maybe you hear what go on in the evening. You never there on in the day if you know what go on. Right? And you don't know my temperament. Because I'm one of the coolest nigga there is. You understand what I say?
Yeah,
Me I tell you that.
we are Bridget,
Me,
man, but
me,
the thing
yeah,
that call for
virgin.
yesterday.
Let's make him
Listen,
talk, excellent.
listen what
Please.
me I say. This is disrespect. Me not like disrespect. I mean we quick for disrespect somebody. You understand? Let me tell you something about labor right. You see labor right? Labor right the loving. None at all. PMP have more love, more labor right. You never hear a PMP tell a PMP say him out long. Not care how them a argue. But labor right quick for jump on labor right. You understand what me I say? Winner come on the platform yesterday and winner tear down the man. I mean I say, done with that, him this, him that, him whatever.
Tear down who?
Info.
Oh.
We don't know the problem with him and info. Him come from Black King Live Friday in the morning, right? That done with. Info come back up in the evening and I explain himself. Everybody jump on Black King Live. Everybody jump on Black King Live. And them start talk, goody start disrespect me, goody start this, goody start that. Nobody never defend me when goody at this place there, you know. Me just walk me this, me just sit down and me listen and I don't say nothing. As me start talk, you see them on the platform. Winner them kick me off of the platform. And I don't say nothing. No, me not think of him kick me off of Black King platform. Him kick me off of the platform. Hold on.
Home mute black.
You sure who kick you off?
Name yourself a hold on.
Let it be clear that yesterday was the first time I followed Black King. Never a moderator, been on display.
No, we know you're not a moderator.
Yes, my top part, but I'm not a moderator. So accusing me of removing him
Did
from
you
the box
disrespect
is
did you
not-
disrespect Info Winner?
I am waiting on the disrespect that I offered him. I'm waiting for him to tell me how did I disrespect him.
Him come on the platform and him a tear down the man. And him talk and him talk and him come off. Info come in the evening and I try explain. Info come in the evening and I try explain what go on. Every labor right and the mama jump up on the platform. So me up here say, yo,
What was this about? Because in the
because
morning,
yes, it
I
was
thought I
about
heard. I thought that. Hold on, let me see for the same thing. Was it when Miss Chin? I not even know what she name.
Yeah, Chang.
When the
Julian
Miss
Chang.
Chin and Georgia. From the set of stem from?
Yes, because them say
I was not
yes.
on that live, please. I was never on that
But
live.
but you hear what go on. You hear what go on. You hear what go on
I heard what
because
go on. I have been talking to Info regarding. Listen, I am the first person.
Hold
Go ahead.
on. I'm me attack.
Hold on,
You know,
Plank.
sorry
If you
for
could
cut you.
pause.
Hold on.
Plank, hold on now. If you could pause so we can respond to some of what you say, 'cause you're saying.
Listen up, let me just
We had Chavi. Chavi, just hold on. Make him hold on. Go ahead.
You might mute Plank, we not hear you.
You can't just fix the thing without this one of a long explanation.
me no need this, you know. Me I tell you straight, you know, me no
All
need
right,
this, you
all
know.
right, all right, all right.
You want
Just
we are
talk,
big
man.
man and big people, you know.
Talk,
See?
talk.
So after that now, everybody come up and start trace. Right? Me I say, me ask you a question. Me say, me ask you a question. How much vote you have? In all we have one vote. And in all we vote is important. You understand? But who know me I go start cuss. Which me know say me go out of bound because me a cuss. I just me that.
So you apologize for cussing.
Me not apologize to no boy.
See
That a
this,
me.
it, and
Me
yeah,
not
man. That,
listen to me no man. Yo, just pull the excellent man and make me talk, man. Me there, them kick me out of the box. Every time me
Over and nobody
So why
kick out.
somebody kicking my box now?
Who that kick him out of the box now?
No, give me a shot. Because the issue is between both of us. Because I am still waiting on where I
you see what me
disrespected
talk
you.
about?
Here,
You see what me
you
talk
do.
about?
Plank, I walk now.
So who kick out Plank, you know?
No one of
I
them
don't
kick
know
me
who
out.
Team
did that.
come back.
I don't know who did that. But I'm still waiting on the part
Brother,
where I
listen what me
disrespected or
say.
insulted.
What politics? The
Listen,
politics probably
my
need to
issue is
check with the
liberals.
moderator privileges them from
This is how
people
it
right
started,
now.
Petal. Petal, this is how it started, right? I heard about what happened, and when I went on Black King Live, they were doing the same thing again. And I said, labor rights, this is not the time for that. I was very passionate about it. I said, this is not the time and place for it. Certain things that we need to discuss, we have avenues to do such. We have avenues to address it. Let us not do it. And people continue to do it. That's
But you
all I
are
did.
going like you nobody matter. You can't tell people if you talk on them live, and that me actually show no. You no can't tell people
Me not
what to
understand you,
say.
brethren. What
This
do you
is
mean, say me
what
can't
you
talk to
have
my
a
fellow laborers
platform.
them?
Winner, you have a platform. Your platform, turn on your platform, and that me say to them. They kick me out of, they get kicked out of the box. Me
I
can't get
am
back
not
in
a
the box.
moderator on the live, so
No,
what are you accusing me of?
I know who kicked me out of the box.
I
You
don't
understand?
understand you,
So,
bro.
Blank,
I
blank.
don't
so
understand
plank,
you
This is
because
plank,
what
we
I
do
am
plank,
not
saying.
plank.
understand anything else.
Blank, blank.
Hold on,
Let me,
man. Hold on, man.
let
Let me
hold
finish
on, let me
that.
watch something to you. I want
Son.
to make sure you hear this. You see that stance that you take a while ago don't make no sense.
What?
Absolute madness.
What
Boy,
you
the
talk
thing
about?
never sound good. I mean, I tell him man if he
What you
stop
ask
it
about,
and
hey,
listen.
people can't talk anything they want. No, absolute madness.
But
So,
Travis, let
so,
him finish his
so,
point.
In 5 miles,
Madness.
take the exit onto
What
Kennington
you ask
Road
them? I
toward
just bang
Greenbrier
my
Parkway.
Chavi, let me tell you something. I don't turn down my life. You can't come to my life and tell me what to talk on my phone. When I pay me 400 a month for my phone bill. Answer that question.
right. You hear that word now? When people are willing to tell you, say, what info did yesterday is bullshit, you need to know you're not pay my phone bill. Because what info said and
But
how he
this is
started the
what I
program
am
and how
talking
it was
about.
going,
All
info
right.
is a hypocrite. Info
This is
for Westmoreland, members say my place. You can't go down there to Miss Chang and me no know. And collect Miss Chang money and come do her work for internet and me no know. Let me
but
tell
this
you
is
that.
what I
We are
am
defending
saying.
what you don't know what you are defend. And that
I'm
no one
not
tell you.
defending info. This is what I'm saying. We're talking about tearing down labor
But
right, and we
you know
come back
what?
and do
You're
the same
defending
way.
blank. That's what I'm trying to get across to you. You
Eh?
get yourself in a crosshairs when you don't know why you're getting a crosshairs. Me tell you this right after right now. Tell Info to come beat me. Because me say him go to Westmoreland to collect me strong money and me know about it. And if him real up, me I put him picture out there. Because me have it.
This that a fear info business. Me attack. Me I say, yo,
What?
uno come over here so with the foolishness. And me start cuss, brother.
No.
Thing,
No. Too much
Plank,
device.
plank and Travi, plank and
you
Travi, plank
understand?
and Travi, plank and Travi, plank and Travi. You see,
Chavi,
base,
Chavi,
you see,
Chavi,
you see,
Chavi,
you
you
see,
just a pick up,
But
this
you,
deeper than
you're
you
defending the
just
thing
a
that is
pick up
nobody is
people.
getting to the core right.
blank. You're defending the thing that is wrong with us.
You,
That is me attack.
you,
You know.
this is
That
what me
me
I say
try to
to
get
you.
across here, you know. You're
This is what me
defending
I
the thing
say.
that is wrong with us, Plank. And that's why
Listen what me I say, because all I know see them and conversate about people, all I know a post the wall. That me I go tell you no, you can't take me down now. Because I don't give a fuck.
So,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
all
man.
on
You
there.
can't sound like a idiot right now.
you talk here.
So all
Talk
on
here.
there.
You
So
are
all on there.
defending something that is wrong and
Guys.
nobody can tell us you're wrong. Nobody can tell us you're wrong. This.
Travi. Then me I think about this. Then if you are gonna collect money, you are gonna make people take a picture.
No. Him going to a place, he pay strangers. Him don't know who is who. Him don't know who. And who knows what.
Yo, bless
I
up,
want,
bless up,
you
bless
don't
up,
want to tell
our
him, say, you
family.
don't want to tell him, say, sir, be careful. At that time,
Our
Brethren,
family,
this,
bless up, bless up,
this,
bless up, all
bless up,
labor.
grandma, bless up.
Hear me? You
This,
know,
this
sir, we
deeper,
up on a
this deeper than
pathway.
what? This deeper than what we never talk about. So you better beat the man. All advise amongst themselves and start it out. But don't forget about here and move on to the business at hand,
That's
brethren.
why you see them here tell
Because
him man if he stop
nobody
and
not talk straight. No.
You know,
Nobody
you know,
not
we
talk
up
straight.
on a
Everybody still has to talk
pathway.
peace.
Hold on,
Listen,
guys. Hold
talk
on.
straight.
I
Hey,
know
hey,
don't give me a chance to talk. I know.
me and
I
You know,
know don't give me a chance to
what
talk.
I'm saying
I'm
is that
saying Plank is
this
defending
look like it
something.
bigger.
Guys, hold on, guys. If you don't remember a Plank say a while ago, tell me where in a hit, we not opening. In the opening, not when you say. And when me say, when me open Plank.
That is it, you know, guys. We not try to defend something when I have no defense. At
Me not
no
hold
particular
on the winner.
time
Hold on, come
did
you come
I
off my line.
disrespect
You come on.
Mr. Plank.
Hold
In
on.
2
Winner,
miles,
hold
take
on.
the
You go
exit
come
onto
on. Hold on,
Kennington
say.
Road toward Greenbrier Parkway.
Me
What me
cannot
are
be
gonna say, guys.
Hold on, man.
Guys, the only
Betal,
thing
hold
what me
on.
are gonna
Let me
say.
just finish up, Alex. Betal, me just finish up.
What me I say,
In a
Travi?
no
Travi,
in
Travi,
no way,
hold on, Travi.
Better just allow him to finish now. Just allow him to finish. Do, please.
in a no way, shape, or form, he can't tell the winner insulting him or disrespecting him. And he can't say when me insult him or disrespect him. And you hear how he left alive? Because
Me
he's
not.
defending something that he don't know.
What? who take down Travi. First of all,
You know too much moderator the part. Yo.
if info go down there and collect money, I think that is something we should call info
You see me talk about
and discuss.
hold on, pedal. We need to get this whole thing under control. Why me I get caught alive now? Me come over here try to fix the issue, you know, and me showing where the hypocrisy lies. That people are defending things that they don't know about. There's a in the camp cause the problem. I'm telling you.
See info come.
Hold on a second. I beg on a second, please.
What do you know about it?
I beg on a second, please. I beg on a second.
Hold
You
on.
can't diss me. You can't diss me not. Put out picture and make we start it. You can't diss me not be a pussy. I mean know everything you can't say. Remember me say TikTok belong to none of them. I feel like
What may I beg on a somebody that thing there, alarm thing there. Alright, look here. I realize that we are invested in losing the third term. We are in depth in trying our best not to cross the finishing line when it comes to the third term. Right? Whenever we have something where we can gain a momentum, we are turning amongst ourselves. We need to stop this. We need to have avenue where we can fix the party business internally. We can't be coming on live to give the opposition ammunition when we should be moving forward. Look here, this is not about us, you know. This is about generation to come, right? If the unjust government lose this election, we are in a warm day for Jamaican people. Believe me. So we need to find some other means and ways to fix the issues at hand. Otherwise, I'm coming on the lives and saying this and saying that. Come on, man, we have to do better than that. All of us here is big
Hold on,
people.
everybody. Beg on a second, then, please. I think I said enough about this issue this morning, gentle people. Let us not get distracted. If we are getting distracted, it means that the persons that are sent here to distract us from what is happening in the PNP is getting them job done. This argument from Friday, if it done, Bridging again, I go say this in, I go say it seriously. Information media is a PNP sent in our midst to distract us. Let us ignore and sideline him. Tell him to turn on in live and go bring down the Prime Minister if him want. Him can't do nothing to the rest of we. How is it? How is it that all of a sudden, come the time when one whole heap of shit a pile down on the PNP, is the time when info choose to start him and go bring down party. What that tell us about him? It's not everybody who nothing a green or labor right. But tell him all the while, stop make this man distract we. Tell him to go put on him orange and go debate for if he want go black for PNP, tell him to go on. Tell him to galang. Tell him and him entire group say they must galang. If them think about the best thing in a Labour Party,
Stay in the left.
tell them to go on. I don't need him. We don't need him.
What's going on? They
Can't
don't
make him
know what's
distract
going
the
on.
jungle people.
They're slow to what is going on. And when people are put it to you clearly, you not defend something that you don't know about.
Tap make info distract we. The Mocha raid 17 location for the PNP. Mark Gold in a self Senate seat. And Amanda in our midst will set him a labor right cause problem with a privy party my problem
Why
with.
him? Answer this. Why film live not turn on for none of them is something? Ask yourself. Look how much things that man, none of them.
Let the man start distract us, sir. The man is here to distract us. The man is showing him true color.
Well, let me ask this question. Everything we just listed, what happening in a matter of days, which one info go live about? Ask yourself that. Uno say info, JFJ, NIA, and IC have the same traits. Selectively, them can talk about things. And when certain things happen, PNP them come distract and tap. I see them operation and stop fool up.
Guys, get back to the PNP. Guys, please get back to the PNP as our topic. Get back to the PNP as our topic. That our topic. Now make nobody we're planting our midst can distract we. The man has been saying, I know today info I say PNP are offering money for black for them. One proof over this weekend is that him finally collect it. Stop making him distract we. Him is not the problem. Him is not our topic. The topic is the Senate seat where Mark Golden a try sell. If info want war with me, tell him to meet me in a half a tree any day. Or meet me in the middle of me pen. But for Pan Yasso, a Labour Party business we are discuss and a PNP are with topic today. Nothing else. Nothing else. Tell him if he can't get the job
Only
done,
today,
tell him to give back
Chuck.
the
Not
PNP
today,
their
not
money.
just today, Chuck.
Yes.
Not just until after the last ballot count and the third
Until after the last
confirmed.
ballot count. Until
Yes.
after the last ballot count, a PNP are with topic. How the hell so much things have happened to the PNP over the last week?
Right now, all of this.
No, man, because bad word, man. Get back to topic, man. A PNP and them nastiness are with topic, Virgin. Tell the info say him fail and if he give them back their money.
My question.
That him can't distract with.
Chuck, I'm going to ask a question like that. Ask a question like this to all the viewers and subscribers and everybody we are watch. Who are laugh, who are cheer, who are jump, who are skip. Tell me which one of these incidents Info Live turn on for. And to talk about the PNP and bring them down. That man is bought and paid for. And I'm
In about 1.5 miles, turn right onto Mount Olive Road.
Because them feel like it done and chop your ground and I take it up. I have the receipt, him bought and paid for.
Thank you, sir. Let us get back to the topic at hand.
I don't want to tell him, say, I wish you well still, you know. I wish him well still. Hold on, let me get this through. I wish you well still, you know. But I want to tell us to be careful.
I know wish him no well.
You know,
the only well me wish him are the one I want in Japan.
You don't know who you're dealing with. So me must tell you this. Be careful. That's a parting gift for you.
Opportunists, them, man. We don't want to hear nothing from them, man. We don't want to hear nothing from them. Make we get back to the PNP. The PNP can have some of dirt at them foot. A man come here, I try distract we. And we are making do it. Then to get back to PNP. Mark Golden is offering to give a man a seat and a board and a Senate seat if he keep quiet.
$1 billion.
And $15 million.
$1 billion missing from Parish Council.
1 billion missing from Spanish Town Parish Council. 400 million from Manchester. 400 million from Westmoreland. And a PNP and a we a problem. You're crazy, man. Get back to the PNP and them with your focus, man. We now make nobody collect no dirty money and come distract we. Right? Make we get back to the topic. Politics and sport. Right? I am still scheduled to have
more. More.
No, man,
run left my phone.
No, son, I run left my phone, man.
Run left my phone.
I am still scheduled to have Marlon Morgan this afternoon at 8.
Oh, boy, I tell you, I love him. Actually, I send one message here.
Guys,
He have go on with himself, Chuck. He have go on with himself.
Make him go on with himself. Make him go do it.
I'm did that out. About my phone hot.
Yeah, no worry about that.
Anybody ring me?
I'm going to step back down, bring up Munchie, because I'm a daughter, I'm there help with homework, you know, people. Bring up Munchie.
Chuck, you're such a good father.
At the next stop sign,
very
turn
important
right.
piece of information. Politics, you need to round up a moderator them on the program. You need to go through that list there and make sure so you narrow it down. Because we can't.
Yeah, man.
You see all of what they going a while ago. I hope you clock all of what that was happening.
Who was doing all that?
People just like that. People just kick out people, you know.
Plank remove me and remove Chavi. Because when you remove, you can see the person name up at top.
Oh.
Evening, people. Politics and sports. Evening, Labour Right. Politics and sports. A party shop here run over here. You know, so me come over here and me see
Well,
comment off and me and say, look on the labor right them. Turn off comment and up your and up on TikTok at this grace on yourself. Wanna turn off the comment for me no wanna turn off the comment because I don't want people and telling us so no go and good.
No, Munchi, no. Hear why I said it.
Munchi.
Listen.
In
Hold
half a
on,
mile,
Travis.
turn
Munchi,
right
hold on
onto
a second.
Washington.
Travis, hold on
Before
a
you give your
second.
comments, make somebody with on the live tell you what happened.
Hold
No,
on
me
there.
know what happened, Travis. Me hear we happen weeks now. But me no
But
can't
Munchi,
believe so no fall for that they trap there. Me can't believe so no make that the man they could make no bring this pan so man. Me hear we are going 3 weeks now and for no hear me not talk about it. You must know. I wanna really bring this pan social media.
It is important to tell the
Them they
general public
greedy, opportunists.
Munchi.
Then the people that only look money wanna make really bring that wanna really bring this pan social media.
okay, we have to
Munchi.
tell it to the unsuspecting public. When the information is only passed to a select few, the general public don't know.
Oh, you never hear about it, Travis?
This is when I say no, the general public don't know.
Jesus.
I have the receipt. That's what I said. Maybe you never hear me say. I have the receipt. But the
All right,
general
about
public don't
I'm
know.
more than 40 minutes with the on this.
And
We
things
change
that
the
is
topic.
pending, when
We
them
are going to change the topic, but we want to set the record straight. Uno
It's not gonna
supposed
set.
to know said that man is not interested in blogging for the Jamaica Labour Party. That man can go with the money and go with the win. Me already tell couple Labour right already, you know. I want to still.
Munchie,
Why me not know?
Munchie. Lots of people didn't know what was said until when Travis just came out and said something. Lots of people.
Eh?
Lots
Man,
of
so me think you
people.
don't know because me sure petal
No.
know.
all
Me
right,
not-
hear me now. Hear me now, Muchi.
Clark, yeah?
Muchi, go
You
to
see,
hold on.
Hold on.
At the next stop sign,
One thing I know, you know if me as long as head table and listen to mix up?
No, me not talk about this.
But
One.
when
You
me
hear
hear
what
from
from 3
upper
weeks
enter,
ago?
when me hear Munchie,
From 3 weeks ago, no, you were gone.
Metal, you can't
no,
respond to
when me hear say,
The petal are still using the
stop
on the ground.
turn right onto Washington
when me
Road.
hear say.
Let me see.
Disrespect other people.
Exactly. Lots of people don't know
But
where
some people hear things as long as then in a
Listen, me guys,
group and
there's
chat with them friend, you know, not mix me a blood clot, cause me no know nothing. Oh,
Metal.
I mean, I get no money.
but hold on there.
You have to get a briefing power go on, you know, man. You need to get a briefing power go on.
Exactly.
That's what I'm telling you, to get a briefing. Listen.
No, you know what? Yeah, but Chavi,
Hold on.
Chavi. No, hold on.
Not Maria.
You just have to just say it. You just have to just say it. And then again, a Westmoreland, it a happen, and I response to Westmoreland. Right? And Westmoreland name calling.
All right.
So I had was to say that just now. And let me say it again. Info cannot be trusted is a rat.
Thank you, Travis.
Westmoreland
Thank you.
Miss Chang, Julian Chang money.
Thank you.
I'm tell him
People,
say, if you
people
riot,
call me
me put
and
out
down
the
the
picture.
chat and tell me where I going. People call me and tell me where I going.
You think you said, you tell me nothing?
I said that a while ago, and I'm tell you what else me say. Me say if
You
you
know
reel
me
up,
to
I will
people?
put the picture out there for everybody to see. Yeah? And your next trip we plan to Westmoreland, just know me know about it. Me know when you go down there. Just chat in the comment and say me no tell you where you go down there, where you go down there for. Just type in the comment.
Ross, Ian, send pick it up.
Let me have a discussion over it.
So all of this,
Let that man alone. Let that man alone. Let the man go out in business.
Munchi, most people never know. See? Because nobody was willing to come out and say it openly. As a matter of fact, I wanted nothing to do with the matter.
Me too, because I never want the disgrace over here, Chavi. That's why I never say no. I didn't even
No,
tell the people, the person say, do not send me no voice note, maybe listen to it. Me no want the voice note on my phone.
Mario, what
And me can't take disgrace.
Mario, what let me defrost? The fridge open. Let me defrost. Let me make it defrost. The fridge open. And from October, me no go info place. From October, me no go for info live. October 2024, me done with it.
But Travi,
it's not a overnight.
Travi, as a neighbor right now, this is what me different now. Me would I call info to decide and have a conversation with him and make him know say him a do wrong.
No, Petal, you can't come between that man and him money. Obviously, you don't know him. You cannot come between him and him money. Wrong move you da make.
And Petal, women are like with info is sending out voice note, and that is lethal. Because when it's something they get leaked, they cannot take back.
Me go say one thing to you, Munchi. Come go one thing. Me say me not go back and forth with them this year. So me go say to you now, Munchi. Me ask you this. Tell me if this real. 1 billion fraud go on in a one municipality. One. There's another one with 400 on the other side. See? Wanna get 15 million up front plus Senate seat. 10 people don't know. Senator gets 17 million a year. Right? He might get a board member seat from the housing housing thing. I remember exactly the thing that he mentioned. But those jobs attract a salary of 10 to 15 million. So I'm going to estimate. He might go get 30 million a year. 30 million a year plus 15 million plus 15 million. See? Why this man get so much money? What kind of secret he have to Mark Bowling? Why InfoLife can't turn on for none of them issues there? If you not turn on for nothing else, why can't turn on for none of them issues? Info, you answer the question then. Why your life cannot turn on for nothing will happen to the PNP, but it can turn on if you contact the judge right is a failure. And yo, lift up, man. Lift up, but judge right a failure. Lift up, man.
I want move more than Wilson if you put in the other guy. Me can't take the infight and the disgrace, Sandy. Me can't take it.
Everything negative, this person depend it. Ask yourself this. Everything negative, this person depend it. Ask yourself that. Everything negative regarding the party.
Then,
this man.
But Travi, all of them selection they can't be done on social media. No area council and decision that and delegates decision. So somebody think them.
My point exactly.
Somebody ready. This is worse than ready in it.
My point exactly because one thing
Yeah, it's like this tasteful.
If you come in my house, come sit at my table. Oh, if you want to come in my house, come sit at my table. And you fight me to do that. You can't come on my table. You're crazy, man. My people don't know them operate, say. And them a fight to push and disrespect.
Travi, in all honesty, none of the argument.
That's crazy.
Absolutely none of the argument we're not talking in the last 40 minutes to 45 minutes. Make absolutely no, honestly, no, it don't make no sense. So if we can't find something to start about, we don't talk about it. Because we don't really change and block the vibe.
This information has
and nobody's getting it.
Because guess what? The people trust a certain individual who is not genuine and not loyal or true or trustworthy among the people. So guess what? Make information go. Who needs to
Easy. Me just said more than petal, me I go leave out, me I go jump, me not stay. All me I go say, Travi. Me love people we are not and this story with Info, it's been going on for a very
and everybody's scared.
Always surprised on nobody now call it out or say nothing. So me glad it is finally now. A whole heap of people know all about them don't know. All about them don't know and they know hear and they know this and them know that. Like them at
me never know and me not tell a lie.
And they have this man.
They have the receipt.
Well, Petal, maybe you're the one.
So Petal, why you answer? Petal, why you answer?
PNP.
Listen. All I'm going to say is big up Chuck and big up Travi. Look here, everybody where I said them never know in the comment. Maybe you not gonna know, but people who nyam, sleep and eat the politics like myself, we know a long time. Me
So
not call it out because not me because I don't know ever see me over in live yet. You never see me over there yet? I don't follow no period information is sent to me. I never go on there yet. So anyone who see me not go, wanna try and know me have my reasons. But
For
big up
me,
yourself here, travel. Real labor right. Big up all
you know say something destructive to my party. I mean no say out there I buy PNP. Me I go talk from day one because my party I go get destroyed.
Betal, if I may respond. Like I tell you, from October, I no go back over info play. Remember, me not hide and say these things when me talk it publicly. From October, me no go on live. Anybody know me used to always over there, me used to always support him. Yeah? Go back in the memory and try to see if an October before you can remember me over there. Oh, hear me now.
Travel. Travel.
Hold on,
Where you go out within the evening when we have the PNP pinned up?
Mario.
Hearing something and don't have any concrete evidence or proof to it, it puts you in a precarious position in regards to fixing that matter, saying something about it. Now, I said to you all just now,
Guys, come off of that, the man, and get back on topic, man. We are waste too much time and discuss that.
Yeah,
Why
all
the
right.
fuck over there so I'm wild out?
Hey,
Know that the man, even though the man not there, still a make him a win. You know?
Chuck, hold on. Me not get my piece, you know, me not get my piece.
No, yeah, what? Make we deal with the team piece a different way, man. Make we get back on the topic now.
Chuck, hold on. Chuck. I was disrespected 4 times. Remember, you know, Chuck, me have a young son, you know. They give women valuable time and efforts to this movement that Andrew will have to get into the term. After we have one man, we just come out after we have annual conference and labor rights meet again. What ended the day when labor rights again lick left, right, and center, and we are do the work and put labor rights on top. After them, the people that come disrespect me, foundation. When we fight hard to bring Andrew Wellness, we party in debt. And I think the Labour Party, they recognize and in social media space. And then man account to me and I take away. What we do? No, I don't understand to that. But let me move on to the real thing now.
Brethren, me love politics, you know. Me can't take the social at politics. So if I politics not that, me have to go jump in. I don't peacemaker.
McGregor will be confirmed next week, Wednesday coming.
And the people don't want him. They're going to pay.
So the man we used to terrorize West Kingston and all them place there. We realized that politics in the play all this time.
Chuck.
Yeah, Mario.
Chuck, him do more damage as Spanish Town.
No, I don't make it yet. I can call him tomorrow. I was, I'm still in father mode.
But you know, see the JLP, them take them.
Hey, Chuck.
Them too now.
Chuck, McGregor do more damage. McGregor do more damage to Spanish Town. Him do more damage to Spanish Town now West Kingston. As a police.
We realized what they were about. So maybe my pop maybe get promised one Senate seat or something too. Because we know that at the price, I know we know.
Yeah.
15 million.
15 million and a Senate seat or seat on board.
And something on a board position.
On a board. So that is the price now to enter. Yeah. Qualifications be damn.
Housing Association of Jamaica board seat.
Either Housing Association or NHT. It's one of the housing agency.
Because Lambert Brown did sit down up on NHT board when he a part of who signed to buy out a many. Much of taxpayer money then waste. And I first we didn't do and see me and I send it to them here.
Right. So we know the level of corruption where them people are ready to take on, you know.
I don't have to comment again.
No,
PNP,
you said so.
is selling
enemy.
Senate
Hold on,
for $15 million. The mark more than PNP.
How much for the backbencher seat? Become 1 by 1 twinner.
Hold on,
Yeah, I wonder if we can get one to buy Thomas, yeah.
Hold on, guys. Not to hear.
Maybe cash in some of our pension. Maybe cash in some of our pension. I'm going to buy one.
No, man. Politics. Turn on the comment. Go on, man. And it come,
Me no love it.
we just have to get back to a message.
Me I tell
We
you.
have to just get back to
I
a
wonder
message.
what we can do because remember say Bunty did buy them out before, you know. Must say
Yeah.
Bunty
Right.
did buy the
So,
leadership. When Bunty did get the almost get the leadership, that's how Bunty did come in a hit.
Me want cash in one of my pension. I want to see. That me set for life.
by a Senate,
This is
like
Donald
you know,
Trump business.
Oi.
Petal, there was
Yes.
an American senator or governor from thing the state where Obama come from again
Hawaii.
Chicago.
Hawaii. Oh.
No man,
Chicago.
Chicago.
Illinois.
Chicago.
Illinois state, Chicago.
Illinois, yes. That he tried to sell Obama Senate seat when Obama did win the presidency.
Yes.
You know, they're jail now.
Oh yeah.
And I think Trump did pardon him if I'm not mistaken. But
Oh,
in
you
the,
mean run the blogger? Run. Wait a minute.
no, I never ran. No, I never ran, man. No, I never ran. He was the governor at the time, and when Obama win the Senate, he tried to say he was actioning off the seat. And he was arrested and charged and sentenced. But I know I never ran. Did he ran? No, I don't think he ran.
Shall we go on? Okay.
Right, but we have so now we catch our opposition leader. Our opposition leader who say he stands for integrity. So if Mark Golding is willing to ignore the recommendations of his own integrity commission, the one when put in, you know, not the one we sit down up on New Kingston, you know, pick him own. If he's willing to ignore the PNP's integrity commission and say, even the one who say this man not good, and I asked this man in, Munchi, maybe you can answer this for me. But how stink do you have to be to fail the PNP smell test? And the PNP right about, you know. And if that man fail them test, how stink do you have to be for them to realize that man can't make it?
But not only that, after I failed this thing test, the minute the leader said no man making go through. And this
But man say me I say how him feel and Ian Hills and ISAT pass.
Thank you. So what Bunchi, that are the questions. So what they find for him so?
But here this question now. Hold on, here this question now.
Do so.
Hear this question now. Then if him so stink, why am I forget so much to be quiet?
That me I say. Why so much money have to pay to him?
Chuck.
It leads to the question then, winner. What stink him up? Maybe I was thinking about them up here, you know.
Chuck, maybe you can answer this because me I wonder.
Local government election was less than 1 year ago. Already $1 billion from the parish council in a Spanish town. I'm speak a bit what they said. Then the promise gunman $1.1 million a month. Manchester parish council.
And Chuck, more asking if you go do that. Only somebody when at work we have more qualification, cause Lawrence your qualification may have, you know. Me never know say take 1 year to put somebody's signature pan the name pan a bank account, Marcia. You know, your mayor Scott this today pan the news.
They take 1 year.
1 year, you know, I try to put the new CEO. You know, so we need to stick with that. The counter industry need to stick with that. Me talk about it today on my live, and be glad somebody have listened and pay attention. That something stink there so.
1 year.
And I know the new CEO name can't go on the bank account. Then who for name the pan it? Who assigned to check them?
Exactly. Who the that's the same question I was asking.
Exactly. We need to stick with that.
Because those checks supposed to be illegal.
And somebody from the Jamaica Labour Party or whatever need to find out from the bank which bank and get the proper procedure. How is it that mayor
corruption? That is why Munchi they're able to scan to the Mocha filings, you know. They were able to manufacture fake project
Yes,
State authorization
yes.
authorize real payment with taxpayers' money.
Thank you. And
Because of
Clansman
them
done
alone
run
that
water
sign the check.
water system with no water truck.
No,
No
yes.
water truck, you know truck, no truck.
And I deliver water.
And I deliver, yes. Here him I deliver AIR. No water.
Oh, Lord.
And I get $1,000,000. Who assign them check there? Who put their eye on them check there? Who put their eye on the water truck there? Who saw those water being delivered?
Because you
No
know what
water.
happened? You know what happened with the checks that the person signed? The bank will put you those checks until they update the bank with the new signature. So the bank will never disallow those checks. The bank gonna put through the checks them that if there are two signatures, and there must be two signatories on the check. There must be two. And if the second party on it, which is no longer part of it, they will allow those checks to go through until when they remove that signature from it. Because they
Right.
don't have no information to say that there's a new party.
Yeah, but
Okay.
no, master, we know it's not the bank's fault, you know. We are not blaming the
We know
bank.
that.
The bank is
So
doing
I'm just
nothing
making
wrong.
it clear to see
Right.
how unfair this man is.
Right? We are blaming the municipality council
Of course.
led by Norman Scott.
That's who I'm talking.
A blatant case of fraud. I am glad Mocha. I am happy Mocha is on the job.
He allowed them to sign the check and put it through the bank, knowing that the man doesn't have signer anymore on the check.
Thank you. The man that is the person that is signing the check, Marcia, is not even working at the St. Catherine Municipality anymore. That's the corruption under the Mark Golden led PNP.
Top tell life on the people and the man we are signing the check now.
The person we are signing the check over St. Catherine is not even working there anymore under the Mark Golden PNP led Vice President Municipality.
You mean Mr. Integrity
That is why me a call upon the councillor Chuck. Councillor from the cause me want to know in a Chuck. Me call me sound alarm to the 11 of them down a KCC, you know. Look at me need to sound alarm to the one them over St. Catherine Chuck. Because how they sit down over there? And that we send them down there if you go to Chuck? Oh, the one they sit down there for how much years? Because according to...
I'm then sitting here go on.
Thank you, Chuck. Thank you. I say no more. Thank you. Man,
well, we can't say this is Mocha because Mocha have this one.
Yeah, man.
But this need the level of concern that only Miss Calder or Miss Jackson or what the other one name? Archer concerned. Because they are very concerned, you know.
Yes.
They are very concerned in person. They like to be concerned.
Because you're supposed to have no chest plate left because she like beat her.
She like beat her chest and said it hurt them bad. So how this don't hurt them bad? How this don't hurt them bad?
But guys, remember, say the councillor never sound the alarm last week and tell the people of Jamaica, say, oh, this and ask the mayor about the name on this account. We would know, say, in the name of gone on the account all now, you know. We would know, you know. So yeah, tell me, say, we all this time, 1 year now since they have a new CEO, and nobody's saying anything, nobody now asks no question.
1 year
now. 1 year now.
Right.
You know, something wrong. Something is wrong.
That man should step down.
Not only step down, you need to be
step aside, of course.
This past step down, you know.
The mayor need to go.
Step down.
The mayor more than
that is why the PNP is so adamant. We say, look over there, so don't look over there, so don't look over there, so.
Yeah.
Look over there, so look upon them. Don't look upon we. And we see this now. The Labour Party was in opposition for 18 years. And in their 18 years, they didn't have one government scandal against them. The PNP is in opposition, is still in a money scandal with government money. This is where Mark Golden offer the Jamaican people them same way. More corruption.
Again.
And it is proven now that Mark Golden is the head corrupter. And not him the smart either because him putting corruption in a writing and sign to it. I tell you.
So
So we know now that him is not a proper narrative, as in say him is a damn idiot.
If you can't do over in the opposition and corrupt the system, what say if you're in a government?
Nah man, this has gone to Serpy. This need to be studied.
Yeah, need to be
This need
studied.
to be
That
studied.
is why them a they want hold on to Saint catching for dear life truck. That's why they don't want to separate Portmore from them, because they know the level of corruption over there. They can't afford for nobody go in and so on. That's why they don't want to separate.
Thank you. Yeah man, they know that the moment they separate, they're gonna lose. Then catch
Yeah.
it.
Mister, we need to. I don't know what else to say, Chuck. But we pan social. Chuck, at 2 years now, me don't know. At 2 years now, we dey pan social media talk about the level of corruption at the PNP led municipality, them, 2 years now, we are talk about St. Catherine, Westmoreland, Hanover, 2 years now, and we not working there.
I don't mean to disturb you, but I'm a whole life me I talk about you. You have to talk 2 years. Westmoreland, I'm whole life.
Wanna see the news about the Westmoreland person from from Solid Waste talking about they can't find nobody for sweep road because the people can't read and write. You know hear the excuse where them come with.
Go again.
Then the news, you never see that the news, boss. They say they can't find nobody to sweep the road and to pick up the garbage because the people cannot pass the basic test. You hear the nonsense there? Look how much people in Jamaica can't read and write and do their work. You're going to discriminate against people because they can't pass your maths test, your English test. Give people in the work to go and go sweep the road and go and go whatever. What you mean?
Exactly.
Master, what they mean by the people can't pass the test, what them I give them for do? Burger King and KFC. Burger King and KFC give people one test because they went to come from work. And when KFC couldn't get workers, KFC
Munchie, you see when it come on to
and
that,
come get the job.
Munchie,
KFC
hold
put the
on.
test.
Munchie,
Yeah.
remember solid waste one time was beer contract. What that means is that them could have ignore it. No, they make it permanent, which means a services commission I do the hiring. The minimum requirement for you to get a job in that case, we have to have a school leave certificate.
No.
Renz.
Renz. The one that was sweep the street is different.
That me I try to tell you, Chuck.
Yeah, you know.
Chuck, and that me I try to tell you, them just a November gone, then put the whole of them permanent.
Including the one that get up
Yes. Yes.
Well,
I did not know they were included in that.
Westmoreland dirty because if me sure say I don't believe that if a person can't pass the math test and
so what them have to try and do? So what that me try to tell you, Munchie. So what happened? You
to them, but you need to find people to sweep the road.
It would have happened for a long time, but you would have give them contract and you sidestep that. Services Commission not ramp with that. So what they have to do, them have to try.
Renz, that puts us in a pickle. If them are going to go that route, it's going to put us into a pickle.
So, and yet still them want to be permanent. Remember them same people here lobby say they want permanent, you know?
Hold on, man. Hold on. I'm sorry, but we have to make an exception because we need the place.
And I was about to say what they can do is, all right, services need a minimum school leaver certificate or any type of certificate. What they can do is have collaborate with Heart to show you how important Heart is. Then can make them do one local remedial course and make them have a certificate which will make them employable. So when you hear we all with the chat about go out, help you when you can't read.
But
yes.
But they could hire them. They could hire them temporarily on the condition they finish their they get a high school diploma.
But it's all right. And you know what? It's so funny. And you hear people are talking about minimum wage. For me, sure no joke. Street sweeper go get more pay than minimum wage. And you find it unfair for some who can read and can write earning minimum wage. So they have to make them get some form of certificate. Them not get a little bit of pay now since they become permanent. And now since Nigel start out public sector workers.
Una have
All
to
right,
look
good
Archer
night,
for
good
the
night.
two-headed sword.
on the
Yes, so
Yeah,
you
I'm
hear
job
them
done.
about,
training too.
oh, you hear them about minimum wage is 50,000, minimum wage is this and that and that.
And they
You have
can't read
people
and
who
write.
can read and write
You see
and
it
get
though.
more than minimum wage. And
Our
that, me
trust
know none of
also
them not
have
say nothing.
on the job training certification going on.
No, I know, but at the end of the day, they want them to can be able to do some form of reading. Or can they go have report
Yes.
and stuff to write?
Yes. But what they need to do, they hire them on the condition that they finish
Them, I'm gonna tell you see that now go work, Marcia, because these people, if I give them the option, they're not gonna go.
no,
What
no,
you
no.
have to do
Hold
is
on.
Hold
force
on.
Hold
them.
on now.
People, people.
Hold
Good
on.
night, good night. Can I answer something,
Hold
please?
on. Just 1 second, Chromas. You can come in after that, please. What I'm trying to say, you give them 3 or 6 months. After 6 months, they can come in with their
What do
high
you mean
school.
lose election?
After 6 months, you can come in
Something to you. I know about this first and they might get 3 years. And when they give them 3 years, services come back and say, give me an update, then I do nothing. You have to do it mandatory. You have to force them to do it. You have to say it mandatory. You have to say, me can't give you unless all I wanna go and go to the remedial. Me not ask them to study. Me not ask them to study.
Rents.
Let me go.
Make lose and see if everybody now work.
Hold on, Mariana, just from neighbors. Hold on, I'm there before you. Hold on, bridging. Take turn, bridging. Come there, wait long time.
Hold on, Mario. I don't know. When you open your mic, echoing and come back through. So
This one may I say too. What may I say? Good night again, people. Put to the argument we are going right now. This one may echo. Let me ask you now. You know, say, all right, I kind of agree with myself on a level. So you can't make them name this still. Give them a little small run. But saying that, we said this. You know, say I have some of the people, them not them agency there. I give the test on some of them people there. And whatever, say like Trump sabotage the government. You know, so some of them people that straight PNP them too. You know, all of them some of the politics are playing.
It is possible because Westmoreland controlled by them. But what I say is they can assist them by getting heart. We work with government agencies. Me not answer tell me.
Yeah, but yeah, I know that everything good way saying, and I agree with you. People learn for those reading, be basic things them supposed to can.
Yeah.
But what may I say still?
NWA can call in arts. NWA can call in arts.
No for them
one
people
mass class.
in the government agency, them are sabotage the government. Because they don't want nothing for work. They have an ulterior motive. You see me? That me I try to tell you now. So you have to put that, you have to talk about them things there too. You see me? Because they don't want nothing for work for the government. Although it work, them still try them best to do everything. I'm telling you.
Mario, them a go work. Listen, them a go work out something for them. Trust me, pan them. Them a work out something for them. Knowing how them stay, the first thing them a go do, them a go get in contact with art. To see what art can do. And then them do a mass certification. Like get them educated and stuff. Them a do something for them.
No,
But them have to make sure say mandatory. Yeah. What them normally do is, and sometimes we have to take responsibility where we go wrong. What them normally do is have arts come in and say, oh, we can go in and do the course, do this and that. They don't go. You still know that they're being forced and you make it mandatory, you have a higher chance of them going. Them now go unless you force them to go.
Some of them now go and go still. That are reality stuff. So some of them now want to go do all of read or do nothing at all.
Well, who know what I'm gonna get the job then? That's all.
Yes, that you have to do.
But them now go, but Marcia, but them go at the most and make it look like it come out of the blue.
That's okay. That is fine. You can't allow them to manipulate the system. If you can't get the basic qualification.
You've seen a Kingston and St. Andrew under the PNP. Every PNP hungry belly can't read and write down spot all over town and sweep. So if we want to talk about we got make PNP win the election and not see everybody a sweep. We know ourselves. If we as a labor get some people and train them and give them the work, if we get labor right people who need extra help, get them past the test.
But Munchie, did you see the parish? Did you see which parish?
Westmoreland, which is PNP, but on a
Yeah.
PNP, I run alone. I run down at the agency where I am.
But when me I try
PNP
to
can't
tell
get
her
in at
is
the
them I
agency to
go
fix it where they
them
want to fix
munchy.
it.
Me I tell her as a person that who know the system like that, them I go get a program for them specially. Them
Them better
normally do
and
that.
stop with
Words when
the
they say
foolishness.
chronic.
Rain.
Words when
Better.
they say chronic.
Them better because you know people don't need no school leaving certificate to sweep no blinking road. That is
No,
ridiculous.
but munchy you can't look on it like that because at the end of the day, them want say they have some form of certificates.
And
And that's where I come in. I don't give them a certificate.
safety training also.
Yeah, I just basic because at the end of the day, stop look funny but just sweep streets. They have
Munch.
report and stuff for right. When
And
them
where's
see
the
how
mother
with
more than
sweep
street
street,
and
they
why
sweep
Yeah,
off
but
the tick.
Munche,
and take up
we
garbage.
know you don't need the qualification of a sweet road still, but you have to learn to read it still and write it
They
still.
don't need to do no reading. That is not no requirement.
Suppose them a go
Because
sweep
I
up
cut my
something.
floor,
Suppose them a
cut my
go
yard.
sweep
The
up something we
requirement
go
is not
arm them
no.
and they never know because they could read it.
Right now, God now charge $7,000 for cut yard and then not read and write, and that's fine. Once the yard cut,
But the
then that's
gardener is
fine.
getting less. The gardener for a week may get less than 15,000. These
The
persons
gardener
get
get
20 and 20
$7,000
What
per
here?
a week.
if they cut
Rain,
one
what
yard, they
here?
get $7,000
Good
in a
night.
week.
No, I did not say a gardener is it, no. I say a gardener may not. These persons are guaranteed over minimum wage plus a pension.
You no matter what,
Munche,
they're not supposed to be
Munche, good
pressured
night. Yeah, I'm
to,
Petal. Chromax, good night. Good night, everybody.
read and
Yeah,
write.
I
bless you.
want to get Mario, you know, Mario not care. When Mario want to get him pint across, he not care if we even attack something of great importance. But good
Mario,
night,
good
Very
Mario.
night.
passionate.
Wagwan.
But now touch the Westmoreland thing. I may say, if we are go win Westmoreland and the money more than minimum wage, and we have councillor, caretaker, and MP down there, and them can't get people to take up them the post there. When we don't have no road down there, you know. And one Great George Street, you know, and one road go on Negril, you know. So you want to tell me we can't get nobody for do that?
But Mario,
Mario, the moment they go back at school,
Come
man.
on, sense.
Me, them a
Come
go
on,
make
sense.
them.
Me,
if you have
come on,
no
sense.
school leaving certificate run for
Them a go, but Munchie, them a go
no
start
school
out.
leaving
Yeah, something
certificate
when
to
me see
teach
them a
you.
go work out something for them.
Look pound. You don't need no school leaving certificate to run for council in Jamaica. We don't need school leaving certificate to sweep road. You know better stop them nonsense.
Hello.
Stop them nonsense when I go away.
Good night,
Hey,
guys.
Munche, stop laughing at Munche. You're cool,
But
you know.
I don't lie. I
Good
mean,
night,
don't
guys.
supposed to run for council, then can't even put two sentences together.
Good
They
night,
can't
guys.
even put one proper sentence together down at the council. Some of them just down there not doing nothing at all more than collect taxpayer money. Some of them not even come and work one time for the year, so they not come in the parliament. Some of them members of parliament can't even put two sentences.
Hello,
They're not
laborers. Good
pressure
night.
people about read and write to see.
Hey, good night.
Come on, sense. Good night.
Hey, you guys are giving joke, man. And Monche, sorry, I'm taking your side. It's nonsense that. They need to cut that out. All they need to do is give them a broom and tell them where to sweep and show them to sweep.
Exactly.
No,
What
we
kind
know
of
that's a
nonsense?
common sense
And
thing.
some garbage
You
bag.
know, you don't need a qualification for sweet, but we want
And
people that
one
come out
reckon
and
from
get
garbage,
We
one
want
garbage
people.
No,
bag.
oh God, Munchie.
We
Me
want
think
people
them
can do
about
look
this
reading.
basic.
Come on, say
Basic.
what
You know
people
how
can do
basic
reading, man.
is?
No matter the basic thing.
But them now, but what me I say is they're not going to be stopping now. Them a go help them.
Just
They
give
go
them the
call
work.
in hard and Carter go give them a basic something.
You know the next thing I find ridiculous though, you see, guys. In Jamaica, they're talking about bank tellers need first degree. What crap is that? What crap is that?
Bantala don't need, but maybe it's easier for them when they might try to promote them.
No, I understand that, but once a person have a high school diploma, some subject, then that should be good enough, you know? We don't need no degree to good night. It's not bad, baby. Don't need no degree to count money. Come on, man. That is all. That's my name.
Since you want parking, where place when you at the airport where they say they need degree for the parking?
All them
Even though me not I don't tax the no guys. You see the company there?
People if you have a basic still, you know. My piece of people can do look reading still and look maths and look
No,
some
Chromas. I agree with that point of view, but if it's to sweep road and them kind of stuff,
yeah,
just keep them
what?
Because
You
you
can't
need
get them
that
for
stuff.
you can't get them for your time being I work for them thing after, you know. And then
Yeah.
And
good do.
if they're going to be called sanitation engineers, that's
Yeah.
what they're called now.
They
Yeah,
shouldn't have
can.
no
Change
but
their
no
name. Then
safety.
Yeah,
change
you
their
know.
name to Joe.
Them cannot sweep it and say, yo, you know, I want to say, don't sweep over your side, don't sweep down at the oldest side. Them still sweeping dog in there. Because they can't read. You see there?
You want to tell us something?
Something say high voltage area, stand back.
Yeah, I'll see there. I've loaded the rule for something still, man. They can't
No,
do
I want to tell you, you have a lot of people who cannot read, but when it comes to common sense and intelligence, them have it.
That's true too. We Jamaica
Because,
especially.
no, people general, because the truth is, there's a lot of people do not know. It doesn't mean the fact that you cannot read, you are not intelligent. There's a total difference. You have
No, I don't think that.
no, I'm only saying you have people who
Yeah.
cannot read and they are extremely intelligent, you know?
And you have some you don't even didn't know they could read.
That's it. And you have some who can read too and them lack intelligence, you know?
True,
So,
true.
so them
Because when
just
them
have
a
to get
read, them no read with comprehension.
When the people
I
can't
comrade,
read
I comrade them that.
you can't rob them neither, you know. I tell them the people they can't rob neither, we call out the money. You
All right,
can't.
let's get back to the topic. We were talking about the municipal. But Munchie, can I say something though, Munchie? That CEO that was at St. Catherine Municipality, that person moved, they probably say 2 years now. Almost 2 years now since they moved the person. So I window in keep on going back to sign or him sign a bag of check or them a,
Andre Stephen Garcia sue me, you know, my love. You know, I'm gonna make a second person sue me in the name of Jesus, my love. Oh, Jesus.
yes,
So,
Munchie.
I want to say, other person moved down Westmoreland.
You remember with the time when I tried to overthrow Westmoreland, they did so when the two PNP did cross floor and they
Yeah,
were trying to move on no confidence get the CEO to take the take over the municipality.
yeah.
And from then the time there's somebody gone, them swap.
I am then sure go down to Westmoreland, man. That's why
Yeah, the one at Westmoreland go down there.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
All me know
So when
say
me I do all so much check a sign.
anyway, Petal.
yes. Yes, common sense. But
Yeah, Petal, yeah, I heard Cole and some PNP live recording, you know, a little confusion and claim that the JLP they're burning out ink or something like that. Yeah,
the
that whole
JLP what?
recording playing up everything,
yeah,
you
we know
know?
them are going that's why yeah, but I tell you my bakes, you know.
that's okay.
I know them the PMP them are gonna record that, but I will
What
go
they
and see
said
CD
JLP
for them
what?
live.
Oh, you mean, oh, the
Yeah, that's what
recording?
happened. They had it
What's
in
up?
recording. Cool.
Oh,
Tell
they
her they
need to
record
go
and
to
I record the abash the corruption party.
Then you
But
nobody,
myself
you
see.
nobody over here. I beg nobody
I'm going
though.
to ask him, say, why offer Lawrence for $15 million?
Munchie and that Munchie enough
Why?
when me want buck your pan talk. Let us ask what kind of secret McGregor have for PNP. Why they need to go through so much rope. Remember I know McGregor was there even when the PNP was in power and even when Bunting was minister of security. All they sit now if you look into you know. Is it that he is now collecting payment for a deed done? Why is it that them so other man for go through so much jump ropes, eye up or whatever for get him
And I see him
a seat?
put out in biography and tell how he must say down there and grow. And him
Yeah,
got Franklin Town Primary
yes.
School. And him go a KC and so he must say him
But me hear say when me I hear Munchie guys when you can go listen 4112. She say he was promised a seat even before he retired.
Yeah,
and
because
true,
the big game
because
name
Keisha
call.
McForty.
Big name call. 2020, you know.
Yeah man, Keisha McForty from 2023. You can go back go look. She posted it. Yeah man.
Yeah, and the one and the reason them afraid of Roe, cause Roe is an upriser who is also a foot soldier. Roe are one of them. Remember, I said the rise of them deliberately planned to sabotage them party, to run a party, Roe are one of them, what them foot soldier. When they say Row take people them carry them go if the party worker them carry them go a bar go drink let them go when 5 o'clock come. After poll done close. It was I think they say a row help undermine the seat, make them lose the seats.
That's why nobody not sorry for him, no Renz girl, then kick him out. Our only concern is that Mark Jefferson Golding told the people of Jamaica that he's in a corruption and him have clean hands and him not come to scrape and him belly full already. He's gonna serve the people of Jamaica. And we're not seeing that from Mark Golding. We've seen where Mark Jefferson Golding party is now offering Roe $15 million to keep quiet.
And then I have the money munchie. Why them that they walk up and down and tell people say they have money. They don't have no money. I scrape them a come for scrape car right now. Listen, the PNP fighting for this win because the party is going to collapse. The money is not there. The money not there.
You know, the party broke, but Mark Golding in the broke, Bunting in the broke. Them first time money see we.
I can't know.
The party why broke. I mean, I believe in that. By that argument, they don't say them no money. That they want to think that way.
Because people are telling they never have no money and a local government election and spend like you never seen before. So I don't believe them say they no money. I think them playing the long game. Then telling the man say they no money because they no plan to give him a red cent chromas. I trick them and they're not giving him no money. They're not giving him
too munchy because you're gonna say you're gonna give him one of the 13 Senate seats, and when they lose, yeah, what you tell the young man say? And then here
the Moore lady from down so Miss Moore, when Peter Phillips did, according to her husband, Peter Phillips tell her say step aside and give Dayton and give Damien the seat. You put her in the Senate. You see she going there? I be my PNP that in a Renz girl.
It's a trick what them do. And then if you listen to the read the paper, it even say
that, you know.
read the paper, he say him skills where he have expertise can be used in help them winning the seat. I for sure say they know say the boy is a little sabotagist. That's why they want to keep him and they don't want him.
And he's playing card, right?
Right, yeah.
There's a job for him in the PNP administration. So he's not qualified to run on the PNP ticket, but he's qualified to work in government. You see how PNP put themselves over the country?
But Munchie, this open a lot of worms and a lot of questions because we have a person in the Senate like Gabriella. What contribution have she made? But she in a Senate. So we have to wonder as well if there's some kind of deal as well why she was offered a Senate seat.
We cannot put for the past 3 years when Gabriella Morrison at the Senate. You cannot have, you don't have at least Damien Crawford who talk a lot and say a lot and push back a lot.
Nothing.
Grandstanding. Lambert Brown love grandstanding. What we can really remember about Gabriel? Tell me something about Gabriel.
And Janice, Aline, now we have to ask and question what is what is it that they have done for the party? Why is it that they get the Senate seat because they not make them water down the Senate to prize and give somebody this and give somebody that?
But we don't see what is the purpose of Gabriella Morrison.
Oh, them reaching at the Senate are white.
Good evening,
no contribution, no positive, no. She not. Them say she gonna be in there to influence. What influence she put? What is influential about her? Absolutely nothing. She nobody remember her. She not make no impact. She not impressive. Nobody remember. She not stand out. Nothing good about Gabriel Morrison at the Senate. Absolutely, she didn't contribute nothing. Zero. So the PNP not really value who them are putting at the Senate, you know. It's just who can pay the $15 million going at it, who can buy
the highest money, who can buy and where you can give man a stuff. It's not about your contribution to the country. These are persons who passes law. What this need a whole heap. I mean, I understand all civic society. Let me tell you some of them are trying, them are hope this blow off. But this is have a lot of questions we need to ask. If this person is not qualified to be a member of parliament, why is he qualified to be a senator where he is now debating on laws? Somebody explain that to me.
Nobody now explain it to you because if you notice Mark Golding now come out And if you notice,
Since it
TVJ
don't really
and
materialize, it won't
now
materialize.
required him to come out.
You know?
And if you notice, civil society group them quiet like a lamb. Oral Tracy quiet, Carol Narcy is quiet.
Even Dirty Simon Crossy, I know me can't be Simon Crossy when I be so done.
And Jackson Miller quiet. Everybody quiet. I try to hush this down.
Simon Crosskiller, what you say? What you say now? Your Ren's girl, Simon Crosskiller say.
Why not say but Simon Crossy like comrade? And me sit down on this tip here, a man I come chat about in new indirect taxes. And I go say, oh, people are paying more for GCT. No, people are paying more for GCT because people are demanding more. More people are earn money
More
and they're
people work
demanding
and more money are circulate.
more money on circle and people is demanding more. When you used to go to supermarket and buy one tin of sardine, cause you not having money, people are buy 3, 6. Who go looking at supermarket? Up to the teacher go make me know if it increase in snacks. But give me son 3 juice, 3 snacks, breakfast, and a bottle of water. Plus them have to give him lunch.
I'm the teacher take one and
Ren's where the Canada there, Ren's?
Say that Mario. I would say that DJ say that. DJ, why you say that?
Well, if Canada, America, you know that Jamaica. You know Jamaica.
Jamaica. I'm telling you something. I'm
You know,
going to
I feel say that abroad, Ren's girl, I still, I think say that abroad, you know.
No, I'm telling you something. People who depend on live. You see, place when you're progressive, you will not think, oh, uptown or whatever. And then you come on to buy on pitney snacks and juice. It is very cheap. Cheaper than the Chinese man them. You can't say me never tell you no.
Where's the place name, Ren's?
Progressive.
Which way you find? I want your location, them have.
They have a good amount of location. They have a good amount of location.
Which one, I'm not half a tree, I'm not half a tree era. I'm not half a tree era.
I'm not sure now, but I can't look and make you know. But them snacks are very cheap. Plus I get cash back. Cause when me go the Christmas card, me get $3,000 from my bill.
Alright, I send them inbox, yeah? You follow me.
Yeah.
So what's your buy snacks?
Eh? Oh, yeah, I know what boss want to know. Still.
Oh, yes, one go to
buy other things.
Yeah, you can go there, go check. Oh, me forgot to now price smart at home, so.
You
But
just
you
want
can
to tell
check.
the baby mother. You just want to tell the baby mother where to buy the pitney snack. Okay.
You know, easy no much. You know, she's not an investigator.
Anyway, guys, 1 second here. 1 second. I noticed Mario was on the ground doing something real good today, and I think we should, give him a little shout out on it.
Oh.
I did, Mario, he was actually
Which one of the Mario? There are 2 of them we have, Come on.
Oh, sorry, Mario.
Which one of Mario? Which one? The one normal. Come on, and come on, regular.
Mario.
You wanna keep all? I mean, which one then? All right, I know which one.
I think he means from Southeast Sentence, man. That's what they say.
Southeast where?
Hall, that's all like a hall. Where we do?
No, he was transporting young people today in Jamaica to go get them registered.
No, man, I'm already attacked earlier on, man. Why did attack earlier on?
Huh?
The one that attacked earlier on.
Right, which is really good, you know.
I wonder if they're going to be able to go on the voters list for the election. Election is 8 months away.
Yeah,
But
I
at least,
think one list go come out. What 3 months or so? One list go come. Me
Okay,
money for
okay.
it, man.
Because
but
remember, so we have an election to win, guys.
yeah, but I think that was a real good thing to do, you know.
We
Oh
have
yeah.
an
More people.
election to win. So all of the disgruntled labor right, get on board. Get on board. Time to put on the differences aside. We Mark Walling say, vote for him now, and when we done, we can talk about it later. No go back, go cuss if you no want.
Uno no sell out to no party. Fit me no.
Yeah.
Well, me
No
can't
sell out
remember.
to the party if you rum and boom.
A
Vote
Roman
can say what
compare.
they when you know done, we can go back, go kill no one another.
Yeah, I never so good this evening though. I never like it. You know, I never like it at
No,
all.
we must never have a repeat of what went on this evening. And in order for us to prevent that, DJ Chromas, is that who want to agree with info and go on info side, go on, and who want to stay in the mega, stay in the mega. But the two of them, two party can't come together no more. Info have to stay by
Yeah.
himself.
The
But
neutral,
if
I
the
stay
labor
in
right want to go over, they go be with info, then can't go on.
I say
But
I make
come
a
together
neutral.
and
I
come
make a
together.
mix up. I miss one team and the whole of
No.
one
One
message.
team, but we can work from
One
different
message.
areas.
Yeah, one message.
One message will take, we not have to work, we not have to come on the same
No,
platform. So
true,
if anybody support information media, want to go over the panel platform, and if anybody don't support it, we can stay. And politics and sport, you have to watch who you bring on the platform, because right now we don't want info on the platform over the panel. But if we know the panel, they can put it up. We don't mind. You have to
But
watch it.
me think with info, you know, him just make a bad. Me say this. Me think with info, he make a bad decision. And me realize so we not with it. We pick up. So he may find him way home.
Right, Rain Girl. So in the meantime, we'll make it rest.
He may find him way home.
Yeah, man,
Him
let me
go
know
find him
cool.
way home.
All right, even before
No,
that
but like
incident,
this,
hold on, let me ask you
this
something.
when I go on information live on the week, somebody text me and say, go over there, go look at me see the Chang lady and Georgia. You know, so me no listen, me come off door. Me no listen. Me as a labor right, me
Me
can't
hear that was
me
epic.
no listen.
I guess that was a turning point. But
Yeah,
when
me
me
no
think,
listen. Me tell you no.
he
Me no
made a
listen.
bad choice. We know what the choice he made. He realized all of us upset. I think he would have slipped by and none of we would have realized. I don't know why. But we
No,
pick
what may
up.
I say?
We
Even since
realize.
evening, even before the thing start, the little mix up thing going on and the cost in that part. When you the day politics are going and when you the company at the box, Father Rusty and nobody no look for him. He man say, "Would even nobody the man is a look so nobody." I'm not like that. Come if somebody man at the box, then like them then not with Father Rusty. But I don't know so it go.
Who tell you that?
No,
You say you
hold
stay
on,
Chrome,
me
me I
answer.
come on different topic for now.
No,
Come
me
in
not
and
far.
know
No,
about
that's
that.
me nobody
Chrome,
want
we
to.
no
Me
go
say
And
one
maybe
thing.
people are talk. Cause sometimes people come in the box and me well in have time to look.
No, but the Father Rusty have to just
Chrome
jump
and
up
some
back.
other
He man
week.
go for the camera.
I don't hear of
And nobody
Rusty
no
do
look for
anything
him.
wrong and nobody get to
Nobody,
Rusty.
yeah.
Nobody with
As
it.
I was saying, I'm gonna say it, make
Oh,
everybody hear.
listen me I said. Listen me I say people. Just one thing for no jump from it on. Just I say
Question,
wait name they
Munchi.
coming at the
It's
back.
two different voices
Father
there.
come at the back, Father come at the back and say good evening nobody. If who else is at the back they must not feel no
Chrome,
mind.
there's nothing to see there. Everybody and Rusty are friends, and until Rusty say otherwise, we'll work with that.
Yeah, I just think, and I'm gonna say, I just think people just never pay attention because the evening, the time did hot. So nobody
Me
never
a
pay
get it,
attention.
girl. As it relates to information media, let me
He
just
more
tell you
find
from
him
now.
where.
A month now, the information media thing a trickle down chromas. Over 4, 5, 6 months now, information media has been doing some shady things. And a lot of us, a lot of labor right, including me, hear it, see it, hear vice note, and me make it rest because as a labor right, me no want disgrace my party, me not release, not me no want it from my phone, me make it rest, me not spread no news. I me understand that some people can't hold it like a G and it bust out now, but now that it's settled, we now bring it
That's
back.
what I'm thinking,
Make
Munchi.
it
And it
stand.
might sound a weird, but it needed sometimes some things needed to be invented. And
Thank you very much.
invented because it would have
It
continued.
is me say months almost. Yeah, I mean hear it long time. Some vice note. Me tell you, it is me upset with the party. Me we call one two local laborator me and then talk with on the phone rings girl and me say, "Boy, me not like how this going, you know. You not see me I make no vice note and I send in a group and I go on with myself so. And I kind of the day me a labor right and me have to back and I say and everything me I go agree with the party don't. But information media is very reckless instead of vice versa and don't care. I mean, I like that. But
And I know that those vice don't reach where it reach, why him reaching that position where he did reaching. But the info when me know, him all find him way home. He's
okay,
gonna
well,
find him.
until
Now that
then,
the whole away. And me now make no excuse no, now that the whole away. Chastise him and call him up on him
Yeah,
rank because he wasn't right. Because me did upset yesterday.
yeah,
The
every
one that
fool
we
I'm
call
a
him
fool,
out
like, you
and
know.
him find out say we not take his foolishness
Nah,
and not
bash him
because
still,
we rate you. But he go
nah,
find
bash,
him
nah,
way
bash
home.
info still, but him have to just cool out and come again, you know.
Yeah, he's gonna find his way home because let us
right.
be honest. No way a comrade should be comfortable of any labor right platform. Me not understand that. Me not know how comes.
Nah,
A labor right can never be comfortable on a PNP
nah,
platform. So me not know how
nah,
a comrade comfortable on a labor
yeah, I'm
right
not gonna kill him
platform.
like that. I'm not gonna kill him like that. Some of the labor right them still, you know. A bad move.
No,
But Barron's girl, why if Mark Golin is leading in the poll 9% according to him, and Central is a strong PNP seat. Why am I changing candidate? That candidate supposed to be leading me. One of them say, "Oh, the party is leading, but he's not leading." So our one of the strong PNP seat.
hey, listen. Munchi, and in my first one I got change. I got see more changes. Me also change I got up down at Trelawney too.
Yeah, come here, so that lazy one, they not get no smoke. Too lazy.
Me hear some more. Them just when I use it enough to drum up attention and drum up people for them conference. But no, we dead out. You know, see
Yeah,
what going
I
on
just see
social
that thing.
media where everybody a murder them.
I mean,
Una
I
see.
agree. And Ren's girl, let's say, oh, then run gone up at East Rural St. Andrew, said then the poll up there. And Mr. Peter King still a trail Mrs. Oldness. That's why Mark Golden run gone up there with the gun talk about hand.
But you not
Hand.
think fun and
Mr.
joke aside, girl. You know
Peter,
see troop. You know
Peter
troop
King now
from
one
where?
Batman name that. Peter King now one
What's my
Batman.
name, Chromas?
Wait, no, Munchi. You know see troop of the biggest PNP in a movie and troop of a meeting with Andre Arton. And God bless you for 10 people in a troop.
Me?
Troop constituency is a stronghold for the PNP. And them are introduced, them have a meeting with Andre, and they don't even have 10 people in their audience. So no go look on the video part 411.
Me have to
Gabby
go
do
look. Girl.
Gabby do meeting, but I think for introduce her to the, you know, so they couldn't even show the audience 30 odd people still gonna
But
watch
oh,
Mark
which girl?
Golden.
Peter King name is a famous name in Jamaica
Who them
one
did I
time.
introduce, Ren's girl? Who them did I introduce?
Gabriella, I don't know how much
Oh, where
introduction
she
she
a go? Who
want.
Sharon get again? Oh, Crystal
Crystal,
Lee.
she called them say she go take back the seat for data. And I that now pass. Let me tell you something.
Oh.
Me not, you eat your seats. PNP have very large. Them have to keep the 14. Them have to keep the 14. They have them a look for 18 seats. No for PNP seat them lose them not getting them back. And them realize
You know
that.
what get complacent though. We have to put in the
No,
work
we
though.
not
But
say
going back
complete,
place where they having
but
a
we have to
16.
speak it.
Yeah, but we have a confidence. We have a confidence up the same ways. Up to.
Of
Gabriella
course,
do
we have confidence,
introduction,
but that is why we not get
But
and
it's
they
a very
hide,
serious election this and a
Munchie.
joke election
Then they
this.
put on live, and they hide it, But you can't see say nobody need the car them a take with them start post picture now. 1 and 2 picture and looking at the crowd. Nobody know did it.
exactly. Of course,
Nobody
we
know did
confident
it.
because guess what, Orange girl? Remember, Mark Golin was running a campaign and
And
telling the
Andrew name.
people, so look at me, I am different from Andrew Holness. No corruption. My statutory declaration is cleared, and I'm here to serve, not to scrape, and I'm clean. This will come out with Lawrence Rowe now. Show the people and the people, not we labor right, because we're not labor right, having a dog in a green shirt, we are going to vote. I have the PNP, them when ask. We the independent voters, the middle class people, them would up on the fence. They say Mark Golding is a fake. They say Mark Golding is a fake, and Mark Golding is not real, and Mark Golding is gonna do and say anything to win the election, including sell Senate seat and
But
pay people.
you know, because what they're saying, Dayton said when they made the tax statement, them said
All
Dayton
right.
say. Dayton said he didn't know it was being recorded and he didn't mean it. Too much the other things they say on platform if they don't mean it. Because you still gonna chat to some country people, farmers, we know they don't really
Exactly.
understand
Okay, country
economics. They
people
tell
for
them what they
food,
want
rent
here.
girl.
Oh, we got other little thing to imported food. The pork foods, the poor thing them they are clapping and whatever. And him a go turn wrong say he never know it was recording and he never mean it. Them just not say anything to make sure it's the people vote for them.
Anyway, good night box. We are good way, shall we say something? No, say something no good. Good night.
Night, guys. But just listen, man. No go on.
Okay,
Just
all right,
listen.
all
Just
right.
in the box. We just in the box. Just listen.
All right, good, cool.
Mm-hmm.
I know what too, Ren's girl? Dayton Campbell was very clear. He said, remember the PNP government? We started the tourism enhancement fund, and that money is what you see that the government is now using to develop the tourism sector. And then we have the
Tax
unit.
and a local pay that money. That's
Thank
what she
you.
said. In just when I said so
In a
for
country
tricky
people them for
poor,
fool.
tricky poor farming
Thank
people.
you.
Them. Oh my God.
Thank you. And that matter of fact, Ren's girl, think back in a PNP time. Can you tell me 1, 3, 4 things where PNP use the tourism enhancement fund to do? What they use it do? What did they build up and what did they renovate now as far as the tourism is concerned?
That we
Nothing.
didn't know say TEF fund could have used
Thank
fixed
you.
road. Me never know say TEF funds could have fixed road since Labour had come in
Exactly.
a power. Me
And
no. You know that TEF fund money used
we
fixed
never
road
know
too.
about TEF until Jamaica Labour Party come in a government. Me
They
never
enforce
see
body
them
EPA sign them. They enforce body EPA sign them. A TEF money pay for that. And the signs them have become a sentimental part in our parish them. When you now go on the grill, people stop on the grill, take picture on the grill sign, and man, they a charge you to take your own a picture and a charge of a holding bird. That is an economic activity right there. You see craft vendors, some of them they walk with them, look at this and look at that, I say them myself. True, they know say the Negro sign is an attraction now.
right.
Even that them use turn politics and no it wasn't taxpayers' money paying for it.
Exactly. Because Dayton Campbell is, and I saw PNP stay, PNP always traffic can the country, hustle the country, trick the country. And when they're in a power, then do the complete opposite. Them always come with a whole heap of things, spam paper, confuse people. Omar Davis was good at it when he read the budget. Him have one long list of confusion and this and that, and we're going to map up liquidity here, and we're going to this and we're going to that. Be a confusion. Nothing with sense the ordinary man and woman cannot understand. Just corruption, the PNP, and tax. That's the only thing we remember when we think about the PNP. And Mark Golding tried to trick the country, Ren's girl. He tried to trick the country about indifferent. And this was
But it shows you a lot because even all right, when you say you hear from within the grounds. Remember the first one using it as a campaign ploy. This is not the first seat that made public we don't know about no more. That the integrity committee say no and he override them. Remember Das was not given the seat by the party, And Mark Golding take it up on himself and give. Wanna forget that?
exactly.
Wanna forget that? That's why when if I read in a letter, Roe say them can't
That's
move.
not there, no problem. That's up to you, know.
Me know. That's why when the boy when I say only according to the veto power only Mark Golding can move him. I see him thing with that. Cause they must say Mark Golding when you use quote unquote veto power to say to give the position. Don't forget.
The truth. And then him care ISAT run a Portland and he move.
If you know when Pierre Colin Bell can remember at first Colin when I say nah. Wait, say? He must step down and blah, blah, blah. And then look, you see, I said, where Colin Bell fi move?
I wonder when Promise Colin Bell, Ren's girl, Colin Bell, fall in a line and I pretend like him will help Isaac to keep the seat. But me say Isaac running in a trouble because number one, Isaac can't climb the hill of East Portland. Isaac now no proper shoes to walk up the hills of East Portland. PNP people want bed, dresser, fridge, stove, fan, microwave, everything round there. That around there pressure him some years. Say, I say, boy, I need some money or me need some help. So you know, so soon give up and get them back then see it.
So
And the
I buy your Bell, then you look money way and buy and give to Bell. Because remember, say Bell at first, I say, take time move. So obviously, them paying Bell
Wait a
that
second.
is the fee.
When I say cartel money, I use up where cartel paying for the case.
You use it on Bell. Forget to see it.
yeah,
Or
because Bell is very quiet, so it must
very
be
quiet. And remember, I say at first, Bell wasn't. Remember, at first, Bell wasn't happy. You
Yeah, you
remember?
put up a cartel, you know. You know what you put up a cartel, so the money they spend.
But you don't realize the 10 story now. You don't realize it. Not even him reach a cartel party.
Oh,
Exact.
he wasn't there?
No.
I thought he was there and he never showed up himself.
No. Where him and cartel have?
Peace ain't could have done nobody not see him as a munchie.
Maybe he didn't post any picture.
Yeah, maybe he
Anybody from the big wigs of the PNP was at the party?
Them said the mayor was there. Them said the mayor was there. But I don't think he went. No, everybody was saying it. You know who they wanna try to see him go? This Rasta man. Hold on, make Ivan. Ivan?
Jesus, I never did a comment. Then they go on good terms.
The PNP just wanted to use cartel for
use them. Remember, I know when he come out there run by boy, poor orange. Me think he was being tricked at first.
But I know, I tell you something. I say it what they are, because no few never know this. When I next day, hold on, when I next day,
I know if I respond to pay $15 million when Mr. Ruffy get, I respond to pay that deal,
Anyway, we that's a while ago. Cartel background from Waterhouse. You know, say, I bond them, a PNP bond down the house, and I'm a friend of Waterhouse. Because the PNP, them have, the cartel, them was a little labor living in Waterhouse, them have left the foundation labor, right,
Cartel?
Yes, that's what I'm
left. They're going to go Waterford and become PNP.
Yes, that's why I'm going to PNP. Because bond them out of Waterhouse. Because everybody was labor, right, and them bond them out. So they have to run left Waterhouse, go have any Waterford or Portmore. So him turn PNP. All him shouldn't even like PNP if he know that other youth are not to him. But that's why I go still. We don't lose nothing. We don't really need him still. But I'm going to say it to make you know. When I will labor bridge, we don't need no artists. No, we don't need them. They're not to conference. We're not to conference.
Exactly. We have 49 MP and we know how to win the election. The election is won on the ground and we know how to win the election.
No. You know why I really say catch everybody that talk about council and PNP and never like the band PNP. It was not band PNP. You see me? But I don't want anything there. You just got put more on PNP and Waterford.
We just need to stay upon track. We need to stay upon social media. We volunteer our service because I don't know about you guys, but none of me know personally say me not get paid. So for those of us who volunteered our service to help the party, we need to stay upon it. Eh?
Chopper media I comment there.
Chopper media? Chopper Wagwan, good evening. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
so
bless up.
we just
Happy
need
New
to
Year,
stay
Baba.
upon message.
I don't want to hear Happy New Year. Yeah, bless up, man. Happy New Year, Mr. Chops Media. Bless.
We just need to continue to beat Mark Goldie.
It give me an organization and manage to create that poor scandal already.
Yeah, and sports
can you give me a box, Mr. Chops? You want to come up? So if you want, you can read that comment that if you want to come, me give the box.
Fourth
No, man.
scandal from the opposition bench. The Mark Golding led PNP. No integrity, Mark Golding People's National Party. The 15 million party. 15 million hush money scandal under Mark Jefferson Golding. That we need to focus on for the rest of the week. Me don't want nobody get distracted again. 15 million hush money
Okay.
scandal. That is it for the
You
rest
have
of
some
the week.
questions to answer, Mr. Golden. Yeah, man, then if you have some questions to answer, you need to come
Yeah,
talk to the
man.
people.
Talk about it
You
all
know.
week.
Yeah, man, me ask you a bit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, you
Don't
need
get
to come to the
distracted.
one because we want to know if you responsible to pay for the $15 million. I can't afford that taxpayer money. So we
Yeah,
want
we
to
are
know.
going to ask me as Swebe say, what resources did he promise the caretaker from Central Kingston? How when since KSTC start run for seat? When since KSTC is campaigning for election? We did know that. Me as Swebe have questions to answer as well. Me as Swebe and Mark Golding. Stay per message. No more distraction.
Come on, now, I'm a good prime minister. I'm a prime minister. I beg you, sir. Please, do not send no more funds down on the municipal instead send on the municipal corporation. Until that investigation is carried out on this matter here, you can't make it slide on that plus. You can't make it slide like one Mr. Prime Minister. You need to take a deeper look into it.
It a go hard for not send the money down there, Nathaniel, because they angling one of finances down there and then collect money from businesses and then collect money for this and that. But what we need to do, what our people need to do, Nathaniel, is be more vigilant and look out our eyes and ask question things because according to the mayor from St. Catherine, it is taking him 1 year and counting to put on the new CEO name on the account in the municipality. 1 year and counting. And that cannot be. Everybody when me ask, and me text people who work in a bank, and me say 1 year it take if somebody put on a name on an account. They say no. So look like say something was going on in the municipality and I last look like say the mayor just sending the paperwork with here.
Anki Panky are
Eh?
going, man.
Look like the mayor just sending the paperwork with here, Chrome, as you know see that too. Because everybody is when me talk to say the longest it take 3 months. And the mayor say 1 year now. I remember say that new CEO they up the 2 years now. And the CEO name is not on the account. Who is signing the signature of the checks that have been sent out to the Klansman gang? Who is signing the signature for the No Water project because the water now give out? Who is signing the signature for the contracts that have been given to the Dan over St. Catherine? Who for name upon the signature? Those questions we want Mark Gordon to come out and answer.
So let me
And
ask
then that we
you,
fear talk about.
who they pay the $300,000 a week, partner?
Yes, who are pay the partner? Who are the banker, Marcia?
One
Who are the banker
person,
for the partner?
one
One of the
person
Yeah.
bank
have
too.
3 hands.
I want to comment that labor right count
Three
and
You know,
bring
say,
that
you
$300,000,
know,
you
say
know.
catching alone, them are run partner, though, them are run it down a Westmoreland to Hanover.
That are
All of the
15
PNP,
million, 300,000 a week.
then to a partner, and then each councillor get a draft into the one big project in a them. That is the reason why Lawrence Ross say he's questioning the commitment of the KCC because he's supposed to get a partner draw over there. If you use it in a constituency and you're not getting partner draw. They're supposed to collect a partner draw and send it, go give him over there for do things to wet the comrade and lip, and he never get no Christmas money. So it's questioning the KSAC, you know, if they're really serious.
At 1
Corruption
year, you know,
at the
at 1
highest
year, you know,
place.
at 1 year, at $15.6 million, you know.
Yes,
1
yes, man,
year.
a big thing. A big thing. Never go on with the partner plan something. The first time I hear about it, it was in Westmoreland. The first time I hear about the PNP part, because you're them bust it out now. Say then in the last half, me don't know some money they're supposed to get from this, but they never get it in time, and they had to use one of the partner to do something. So they get free whatever. And let me tell you what they do. For example, you have 7 PNP councillor and you have 3 JLP. Or if you have 3 PNP and 7, it doesn't matter. For the whole time, The PNP don't do nothing in the constituency. They just use the money and throw a partner.
Right.
And when time something come up now and they need the money if you do something for party business, one of the councillor get the money and then get a draw and then do it in the division. That's so then do it. They don't use the money where the government give them to do nothing in the constituency. The money is just to pay partner.
And this is why I hear the people them say nothing now go on down in the constituency, them no road now fix. Some people they say, how come that?
Thank you, Marcia. Because the money is used to throw partner, Marcia. They don't spend it in the constituency. Partner then down there chore for one another. Partner then down there chore in the PNP. All of the PNP councillor them. And in the last 5 years, 2 JLP councillor get tied up in the we eggs up, Marcia, and no fella. We eggs up.
So then we kick
2
them out.
JLP councillor join the PNP partner. Yes.
They kick them out and then catch them, we kick them out.
We're very eggs up. And we know Pusandag now this, Here, Judith say, hear from the top brass. Yeah. Judith, when me hear about the partner, me ask them to explain to me how the partner work. And they tell me, say, the partner is the way if you get a big money if you do a project when you need a project. Or when one division need a big money, the bank can release the money to that person there. So me say so for the whole time. The councillor use the money where you get from Desmond for cut down the road and for clean drain and for nothing less than no. The money to the partner and the partner draw around and you do what you need to do.
No, but then get money from central government too. Different.
Yeah, but all of that then you use to a partner chromaz. Some councillor and a partner 3 and
okay, true. I look so for
yes, that's what them say. One person have all 3 hands. Who are those people? Who are those people?
And a taxpayer money them I use and throw the partner. They're not doing nothing in the constituency.
Imagine them in the opposition and go on so much when they turn government.
Not even 1 year good yet the people them take over and look how much money missing already.
Yeah? I look no what's the master them in the opposition and them go and say imagine if them in the government.
No sir. And Mark Walling gonna call down Prime Minister about integrity? Huh? When you offer this Senate seat for $15 million? Is that shit me come by one shadow minister seat then?
Oh, so I know whether the bridge they have fund them have some dirt fund them bridge, brother. And the next man when they want to put in, so we don't know why them we don't know. Now what they want to push that them man what's up? The policeman, the ex-policeman. What they want to push that them man there so.
How me not hear the Daniel actually come out and lick our chest? See our taxpayers money that throw a partner.
You not hear from she. Look like something cut out for your tongue.
How me not hear from Dean Jackson straight talk?
Yeah. She not go pan her angle from she gone pan the angle.
Straight angle, yeah. I would pan the crooked.
All angles
all angles, yeah.
Mm-hmm. How we not hear nothing about all angles? And when they come on tonight or tomorrow?
Oh man, Wednesday night to come.
You're not bringing none of that pan when I can assure you guys don't look for sheep and Wednesday talk nothing about the ocean scandal. She'll find something else to talk about. Either something about
the PNP them Stevie Wonder, them blind, Them not see nothing,
She not talk about nothing. Nothing. This a sweep. No, notice the TVJ and the RJR is coming with every other news to distract us. First, then come this morning, then spin the story and use data and Campbell say, I wish him well. Then I put the part say $15 million for seat, Then come with one story about Carl Samuda supposed to step down. Then that not it. So then come with another one, JC Hutchinson supposed to stay. Them a try find every means and way.
And then you have the audacity of this man, Matalan, to come talk about say he's not his station being targeted. They are being targeted. All the nerve of these people.
No part of the system. And the part of the system you have against Andrew Wellness.
Remember Matalan was part of PNP, Michael Manley administration in the 80s, No, so they go. Let's see Matalan. Matalan had big PNP. He was part of Michael Manley administration in Michael Manley days. Then the
same things.
Of course.
One was PNP, one was JLP.
Sunday then run go interview. Sunday then run go create mischief with you, Graham. Walk on this track we like we business. We were watch Parliament every week. No, say you Graham not coming to the world. We never need the Gleaner to tell us that.
What you saying get that year? 13 million in get?
But what Chromas
And
do
I
not
go parliament.
Chromas when I see you see you Graham in a parliament.
No, the man say me not go parliament, I get to what, 13 million for the year him get?
Yeah, but no matter how much him a get, because the whole of them a get is same thing. But when last I see him come from you and watch parliament from last year.
Man, the man not going to parliament, man. The man have
We never
sense
need
himself.
Gleaner to tell we that Chromas. Because we are not fool.
Yeah, we know that long time.
I thank you. I don't know Peter Phillips not going either, and we know Mike Henry not going either. We never need Gleaner to go do
Them
no
have health
research.
issues. Them say.
That is
Them have health
garbage.
issues. Yeah.
But we know these Chromas. We don't see Mike Henry, we hardly see Hardly Shaw, we only see Casa Muda when he come to make mischief, and we don't see Peter Phillips, and we don't see you, Graham. We watch Parliament.
Where's the Munchi? God, I mischief in come make.
Oh,
Call some of that.
never talk about him, culture. Yeah. We don't need Gleaner to continue. You see, Gleaner want to tell us what to think and what to discuss. We don't need them, Marcia. We're not blind.
Exactly.
We watch Parliament every week. And we don't see you, Graham. We watch Parliament every week. We don't see Mike Henry. We don't see Peter Phillips. We hardly shock on one time for them, one time, sometimes zero. And we do not see them. And we know that they're not coming. We understand. We can't do nothing about them because the thing is in the law to recall them. So what we are going to do? We're not beat up with chest pan that. The big issue now is the 50
Yeah, man, at the issue for the you know, bigger topic, bigger picture fry right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Come on this track, we.
Man, go in there to go talk.
We're going to send it.
Man, go in there to go search and find the big gun tell me what one thing for the house money matter ya. God down there trouble you Graham. No busy with you Graham. You bigger fish and that thing fry.
If that
Bigger
was all
fish
the
than
problem,
the
if that was all the problem, there wouldn't be any problem. At least we don't know who they come and who not come. That is quite
The
obvious.
man they work with the highest officer mental about integrity. You have 4 different corruption, major corruption, yes, underneath, and you go and talk to the innocent man with the matter, with the mapping, with business mouth.
A long time I hear my wife, you know, petal, what you gonna sleep hour? A long time my wife just quiet, so she just listen, I don't know. So they work. Petal? Ah, yeah.
Somebody
I'm
come up.
continue, man. Listen.
Come up.
Yes. Labor right are listening to you.
This Alton. Hold the mic now.
Yes. I was listening, something on the cliff views, or them take down the PNP them in Alman Town, take off the door, the window. You saw them?
All
You
the
saw
toilet bowl.
all the toilet bowl. And then so they went paint the building green. Boy. But you know something?
Oh God, the man take when he sing, then tell the man say, Mark Golding tell the man say, he has no integrity if he take when they sing.
With all this man, we follow the girl upon Nationwide. She name again?
Oh
She
God,
name again? The girl do her live on Nationwide. She don't read the news. She name again? We follow her live in the
Mark Golding say no, he believe the integrity
Yeah, but listen.
commitment. Say he's has no integrity because he left the place messy.
Mark Golan, you can't get a food bottle
Come on,
in.
say the man never take for the door and the window and the things and the
Exactly.
toilet. He would have integrity, but just
Exactly.
But
I
you
find
can't,
that so ironic.
Normal, you know?
that man have a that man have a secret for the PNP.
Mark was in a hospital.
That spring bar, we could outside, you know? I said, wow.
Because so much for your integrity and him don't have none.
The man write letter tell the man say you have no integrity at all. Now I believe the IC. The man moving in kitchen sink, he must move back in kitchen sink and entirely. What wrong with him?
But you know
I know they
something?
can spending money.
Exactly.
And put up door.
Exactly. The man go refurbish the place to how he
Bathroom.
want it. I don't want
Yeah.
to kick out the man. I don't blame him.
The
I
man a
don't blame him either. But do you know something? The PNP do not believe in poor people for running. PNP don't
long
believe
time
in low
PNP
class
at the top
people.
of Norris party. Long
Right. But the man have a secret for
The,
them.
you remember the people say, I might come and bring the grassroots part to the PMP, you know.
Right. That's
Because
all the
for
Before
way.
that,
years, those people has been stealing money from poor people. And this is
Yeah.
how they make them living. They no work. Them just thief the Jamaican people money. Right? And this is where all of them hate Andrew because Andrew come and try clean up the system. And
And
them
I
see say them
help poor people.
and I help poor people in
no,
the
I left the
meantime.
playing field, man. Now I play it for them book, man. I left the playing field for
Understand?
normal people.
And them hate the
Can't
guy for
survive.
that.
Yeah, man. Now I play it for them play book at all, brother.
But
He might
what?
level the playing field and that. And yet, it's a system against, and it's politics alone, you know. The whole system against my Andrew Wellness, you know. You
Yeah.
know, it's a movement against him, you know. It's a
Uno see
movement.
any of the you
Tell her that.
beer or the this or that to the funny life them?
You
Somebody
don't
see
hear
anybody?
nothing. You don't hear nothing. Them quiet.
Exactly.
All the Bigfoot one from our job. Me don't hear to say nothing.
Oh, that no.
You know the Bigfoot
I mean,
one?
never
Terribly no.
the woman, them cuss, man. Diane Jackson.
I
Yeah,
true what
yeah,
I saw
yeah.
she wear.
A Bigfoot. Yes, the woman foot big.
No, the woman, man. She a PMP. I'm not like her politics, but the woman that looks so bad, man. Looks
Here I
wise, the
know,
woman look
here it.
alright.
Or
No, the woman.
somebody not like the Bigfoot to chromas.
Yeah, but
Somebody, but
you
Chroma
know,
like
I name
her.
it. I
Chroma
That
just
I
say,
like
man,
know.
her.
the woman, and she alright. Looks wise, she alright, but woman like her
To
politics.
you. To you.
You know, not that for like PMP, them I go and
I
like
hear
the looks wise. You know, go there so.
Mark Golding
Which
say
No
he's
man, you're
going
not
to
going
Alman
there.
Town. He's going to Alman Town Wednesday. Oh, they wrap up some
You know what them are
bad
gonna do
shit.
Wednesday when them are put in McGregor, them are gonna bring people from the other
All
spot.
over.
Mark Golden are gonna bring the
All
people
over.
in from him constituency carry down a
Gambia,
jump.
right.
That's him I gonna do, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on telling him how he constituent pull up 2 bus and carry down there. And he need to give them one plate of food because they don't want much.
Never give him a plate of food. He
Yeah,
just
that's
legally
all
the
them are gonna
gun
do.
butt. And
And
them
then
have to
and then when
join
he
them.
carry the people in down, then they must say the people them welcome Mr. McGregor and they're
Right.
ready to help him to win the seat. That's him I gonna do, you know?
The only
Yeah
way he
man, we
gonna
know
win
Mark
is
Golden
my
already.
fans.
Know the playbook.
Bro, when in the box over top, the rough one, where you say? Coming at the box. Where you say, Virgin, long time I hear you. Rough one.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. You have to jump in a long time and talk to no things. I'm straight. So I have to
No,
make sure.
say something, man. That I say coming at the box, where I acknowledge you. That's what I mean. So where
Yeah,
you say.
man. So I know, Munchie says stay on topic, but we may have some other burning things too in Munchie.
What happened?
We have a man on the island there, come from England, with them send down there. And this man constantly talk down to the Jamaican people and the style.
Not going in him attack.
I don't understand. The man piss on Jamaican food all the time. And when you turn on and feel the water by your foot, the man say no and rain a fall.
Whatever Mark Golden you attack though, God.
Yeah, Mark going in him attack, man.
How is it that we can hear? How is it that we can hear with our ears? Hear the man say, it's time to put on a little thing on it. Him actually give an example of the tourism enhancement tax. Well, if the visitors come to the island and then pay the tax. You haven't given that example, you say now it's time to put on a little thing on importation of food. If Mark Bollinger come back and say, listen, the man spoke, or he misspoke, or we go back as a shadow cabinet, we look at it, and we change our position, I would have given him a lot of respect for that. But the man come and say, no, that's not what he said. You didn't hear that. And it's not the first time he has done that. It's not the first time he has done that, and he's constantly insulting and talking down him and him friend from, we think he might win another seat in Manchester. Constantly talk down to the Jamaican people. They're never candid. They can never apologize. They can never say we misspoke. They just say, no, I don't say this. That's a problem. And if you can't tell the truth in opposition, then God forbid, you should be entrusted with the powers of government.
But PNP ever tell truth? They never thought the truth, you know, my brother.
But you know, you don't, and so people ask, where's the plan? Now you know why they can't reveal the plan.
Right.
Because they have an addiction to taxes, and included in the plan is new taxes. So we have to push back against. I don't know, you know, despite what anybody may say they see on the ground, I don't see it happening. And I recognize, I did the math, and I recognize that there's a group of people who are going to vote now who they were probably, what, 13, 12, when the JLP came to government? So they don't understand what it is like to live under a PNP. And those are the ones who would say, well, make we try them.
True.
Those are the ones who want to flirt with the dangerous idea of make we try them. The world is a dangerous place, brother. You know, today I was watching the Trinidad, they're still on right now, the parliament in Trinidad. And I cannot tell you how many times they brought up Jamaica as an example of why they are doing their state of emergency. I can't tell you how many praise on both sides of the Trinidadian parliament.
Are we the muggle now, man? Are we the top dog in the Caribbean now? You see it?
True.
Yeah, man. We don't have to talk about now. The thing when you know, man, spin around, you know. When them actually them just go on like them, the boss in the Caribbean, and it's disrespect we. And the 90s in the PNP time. Talk about we have to them for ATM and them sit with them at ATM free and them something there. Yeah, man.
You are correct, rough one. They're really trying with this of emergency thing, and you know, trying to, and our people, and you're the one bunting where they say, well, the crime is done, but it's no thanks to the JLP administration, and the state of emergency was a waste of time. It didn't work. You know, I'm nervous to think if Bunting could have ever come back in a government, in a traumas.
Yeah,
Me no want
crime
live in Jamaica where the People's National Party control it, you know.
Them are leading the Caribbean that crime, you know. Them crime wicked, you know. Actually, that, you know.
Yeah, man, wicked bad.
I don't remember who said it, you know, but somebody said the PNP was a political dunce. And let me tell you, all a man like Bunting, one of the main reasons why Jamaicans turn against Bunting, you know, is him cockiness and him arrogance, you know.
Exactly.
I mean, because he was a guy that was loved, you know. And I saw him lose the edge.
Arrogant, man, and too much ego.
Arrogant,
too much.
And all the arrogance that he has, he and Mark Golden, is directed at a little black boy from St. Catherine who became Prime Minister of Jamaica at a very early age in his life, and it should have never happened.
Them all of them are Caribbean for Andrew. Remember Andrew dealing with wicked in the parliament, you know? Remember? Put him in place. Remember Andrew dealing with him? One thing. And then him come to him with the same crime thing we are talking about, you know? You remember? Andrew all them dealing with wicked man in the parliament, man.
Yeah, and we have to mark him. I strongly believe that a good part of Bunting's defeat is the way he disrespected the Prime Minister when he was in the parliament. And he should never, ever set foot back in Jamaica Parliament. Neither should Dayton Campbell.
Yeah, man, the two of them have that disrespect the Prime Minister. Him and Dottie Mark Golden. Your man going to talk with the Prime Minister. But Andrew.
And I think, you notice he has never addressed him properly. It's always Andrew Woodness. He never said the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister, like Andrew would address him. But, you know, I say this one other thing, and I'll leave you guys. There's another person who was gifted a seat that he thinks he's for sure that he's going to win. And that person is playing his card careful. He wants to do enough to make it seem like he's working, but don't want to do too much because he really wants the PNP to lose the next election. He wants them to lose the election and he wants to win his seat. Because when that happens, he becomes leader of the opposition, which is more money than being a minister of government, and a shot at becoming prime minister.
What does that mean?
No more.
Damien?
I say no more.
The man is suicide man still. The man they show too much still.
Damien will never reach nowhere, trust me.
He was suicide man. If the 9-1 show, they chat too much.
Put a man to put in Damien as prime minister.
Yes. Flip flop.
No, they won't have a choice. If they lose the election, these two people, especially if Bunting not in the parliament, they'd have to find a new leader.
But remember, they have a leader was Paul Well. And what they do, the same PMP them gang up against Paul Well. And you don't see what happened to Paul Well.
Paul the most corrupt politician in Jamaica history, man. Them know
Yeah, the PMP them set it up,
tainted,
man.
man.
PMP set it up.
Tainted. Yeah, but them tainted bad. Because Bunty them not like him, you know that. At least them are going, them not like them. They don't like him. Bunty and Amaga, them not like Paul Well. And Julian Robinson, all him just quiet, so him there.
The quiet ones are not doing too much. The quiet
The Julian Robert, me not see him, me not hear him. I not say he just quiet, so.
You hear the analogy I gave you? I said, watch the quiet ones. They're cruising into the election and wanting a defeat.
I understand the analogy we have, man. Them on the apartheid too. Yeah. He might want out of the two. Too. Yeah. After that, them two, them could have choose from to be the leader of the party. Well, I'm going to jump out. Marcia, can't sleep. Yeah, man, Alton.
Yeah.
You can't go on the floor tomorrow. You can't go on reason.
Boy.
That'll be like rough on land, you know?
Yeah. I listened to Cliff Hughes today. The program was very good. Home up, all the opposition leader don't have a press conference. They talk about the corruption in the PNP. Eh?
Kevin, listen, and I run back none of politics, Kevin. You can't push in it.
Who that?
Now, Bridget, in the comment, when I will leave Bridget, I talk to my comment.
Oh.
Should I talk about Julia Robinson Crawford, them put Lisa Anna, but
they might have to draw a PR though. They might have to draw a PR.
They're not like Lisa.
They might have to draw a PR.
Nothing with PMP.
Right.
Yeah, man. It's a man of an original PMP. I come from Labour Party when a PMP. They have them not trust us 100%. You remember that you got the same constituency the first time. You remember the Labour, the PMP woman who don't know the councillor woman should have get the seat and should have cost. So when I bring this a woman, Labour woman that one PMP come down there, remember?
Right.
Okay.
And she should give Lisa a hard time down there.
Yeah, you see me? That's how it go. As for PMPs here, they are indoctrinated, they are cultists, they are indoctrinated from birth. Right. You see me? That's why we have a big difference between the two parties. That's why PMP indoctrinated, they want a communist type thing. Next to slavery. You control people, love people dependent. If you depend upon them, they're not like independent people and smart people. Have a thing for yourself. If you depend upon them at all times. That is PMP.
Right.
You see me? Yeah. They want to control him.
PMP isn't just described.
Yes, man. PMP is they love poor people, keep them poor, have them as voting blacks. That's why PMP makes so much garrison. The manly time, not the same things, especially in Kingston and St. Andrew. Because them fees, Kingston and St. Andrew alone could have made them win election. But they never know to the rural area, the rural area, the country area, have a lot to say about that too. You see me? If the Kingston and St. Andrew alone, people could have never lose no time at all. That's when garrison, the whole of most of Kingston and St. Andrew, so have the most garrison. About 13 them up to a JLP, about 4 or 6 or 7, I don't know.
But we are getting rid of the garrison them though.
Yeah, but me if it's a garrison, to me, garrisons and CFC, if it's a corruption, I forget that I have to cut out.
But let me ask you something. But come on for the topic. What about the water truck them in a St. Catherine or the PMP them gunman them around it? What kind of like but they take it from them now though.
Repeat that again, Alton.
St. Catherine for those water truck was running by the PMP gang. You know the water truck them go around and give water.
Yeah. What is a well corrupt and terrible. I never know where I go on about this. I never know that I can't tell you, Mr. Alton. I don't know where I go with the water truck there. Maybe somebody else can give some more information. No, where I go on about this. So. Really. Yeah. If somebody can give more in-depth Spanish talk, what is so terrible though?
Right.
Few things that one about this.
And that's how serious thing I go on the two man, Mr. Plumber. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Still under investigation not done yet, you know, copy people I go to prison, you know.
Right.
No feel no
Nathaniel, the
one
people
charge
go to
already.
prison. I still don't want enough of them go to prison. That me I tell you.
Right.
Prison
Yeah,
them for
more
go.
place. A couple more place still left for real, you know.
Right.
You know, listen now. A little boil up, you know, start yet.
Remember the Prime Minister say about knockout punch, you know.
Right.
All right. Boy, no more come on. I
Just
and the
kick
monkey,
them.
I and the monkey climb them. Them are exposed, you know, every day, you know.
Right.
Right now, may I tell you this, man. And may I tell you this. You see this PNP party curse reaction upon them. You see what
Yes,
certain
man.
things
Sure.
happen. You see what happen. We see what happen right now. May I tell you, say, I know those we are doing, man. God Almighty, I beat them. May I tell you that. God Himself, I beat the
Beat
PNP them.
them good and proper.
I mean, certain things
Good
happen.
and
Them can't, them can't release it happen to them. May I tell you that. We have a
right.
reveal right now. You see me?
Everything them, you know what God is
Andrew Wallace,
saying?
God bless you know. Andrew Wallace,
Yes,
God
man.
bless, anointed. I tell her that.
I've been telling people that and you're born for a reason
Oh,
to
you mean?
save Jamaica. I've been
Yeah, well, I
telling
try to show
people
you. So
that.
that all them are going on already. PNP curse all the wickedness what they do. In the 60s, in the 70s. Evening tide one with them bun down,
Burn
Green Bay,
down.
Wall Street. I
Yes.
kind of evil with them wickedness what they do. Them there,
Iron
people there,
Street
blood
fire.
upon them, man.
Iron
Yeah.
Street fire. All the
Blood.
policemen who are run for them in a central Kingston. Wait, man, God going to strike him. People
Me
wicked
never,
him go.
me never see them a wolf and a sheep talk. I never know say.
Yeah.
Hello, me know say wolf, but Iraqi police them that the force of PNP still.
Yeah.
Me never know say man one of them.
Yeah, man, I'm one of them quietly.
I even don't get them on the last. I even don't get them on the last part there.
Yeah?
I'm not control longer than to police station the last part before we retire, you know. I don't
Yeah.
think I don't them there, you know.
Oh.